Detective Spence, how you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
I'm alright, man. Is everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything good.
No, nobody knows you are coming on out.
No, sir. Nobody knows.
Make sure you know.
So, what do I hold this pleasure?
Why, huh? You call it pleasure, you know, but I hope so. Anyway, there was some bigger problem with public. You know public? Spouse, ex, public. Come on, man. All right. On a serious note, this is very serious. All right.
I understand that, but wait, sir. Oh, you know.
Don't worry about that, man. I'm the police, so don't worry about that. All right. So don't just forget about that.
Alright, so.
Anyway, what happens still, you know, is that you have to go undercover, and we cannot find anybody else to do the work. It's just you because you know everything very close and personal. So you know you have to go undercover. You understand? Yeah, man, but you have to be careful, you know.
No, no, sir.
Because, you know, I not use the word alleged, you know. These things are we sure about that he's doing, you know. He's doing big shipment, all kind of things that we're certain of, but we just want to, you know.
Make sure, like. we
Yes,
get the
man,
right
get back
vibe.
close to him, get all information, and make sure you relay everything to us. Because we have to catch him.
I can't believe you said that thing done. Alright, yeah, man. Anything.
You say, yeah, film thing and all, man, now, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, because trust me, man, we have to get them people off of the street, man, because they're making it bad and, you know, and stuff. Anyway,
So, when you want me to go by that side?
tomorrow, anytime, no, man,
But, sir,
no,
That kind of too fast.
no, man, we seriously have to get with that guy, you know, we serious. Listen to me. Are you we think about right now? Are you the only one? So anyway, just, you know the protocol already.
Yes, sir. We know everything.
Alright, and you see how I'm sophisticated, me I tell you, say, gadgets when you your phone, anything like that, be careful. Because in Ghana technology, you know, they track you and all them stuff there, you know. So
Me
they take my
understand.
phone from him,
No, sir.
they
We know
take, be
that.
very careful. You know how it's there.
We know it's this.
Alright?
Yeah.
So I'm expecting you to start tomorrow morning, alright?
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yo, you wanna lock it up? You say the door not lock, but me never say if to push the door and come in. What you say? What you say? Where you come from? What?
Jack, we come to drop off, sir. See your face look, sir. Your face look, sir. Come, I'm here.
What? Me ask you what?
No, and then now, man, we are dealing with, we talk about always and we always are dealing with. Too miserable,
Why are you fast now?
Too miserable, you know. Too miserable, man.
Yo, push over in the corner, you know, because you know what thing already, you know, because if people come in here and trouble it, you know how it go.
Too miserable, man. That's smile for your face,
Push
man.
over in the corner.
Then how you tell me to put it?
Because you're from what you move to boom it, you know.
What move Boomy from over there?
I like how you move, you
What
know.
move Boomy from over there? You're
So
too
you-
miserable.
You don't know. You don't know.
How? Like you know, like you know.
Man, you me not on the foolishness and I ask if you don't know.
Yeah, done long time, man. No, it's not like when you get attitude, if you put on a smile on your face and look more nice up. Look, you know, see you're nice though. And you have your face so every minute. Jaja. I'm full phone this year.
Yeah, I come in here, you come in here now and ask me who for phone like that. Eh?
You must see your phone over
I
this.
wear really pan. I come and fill up me. Eh?
No want you.
Eh?
No
Come
want
me
you.
first, never
No
want you.
want you.
Junk me
No
first, never
want
want
you,
you.
no
So
want
make
you.
you just take your presents from out of my side. Come me first, never want you. I could have want you, junk. Eh?
No want you.
You
No want you.
know
No.
me leave for me want you.
You see, you're full of too much attitude.
I get what me I tell.
You see, you're full of too much attitude and when you junk around the road, and everybody I pass you, because they say you're a man and you act like a man. And me, sorry for you now, care your yard and something, because I know you're a man. And here you are dealing with me now, chew what me do? What me do? What me kinda like me?
Well, on there, so junk. I really take on a use against me now.
I don't take me I take you use against what me I try show you say yo me always did it for you when you know did it for me you know make it feel like you have me up tell me if you have me up tell me you know.
Me can't have you. Me not
If you have me up tell me you know.
If me have you, me not put you down. So
Me
can't
say if you have me
people.
up tell me cause watch me can't manage it. You are not enough business with you know cause fear sometimes scare me for true you know. Yeah man. The fear scare me for true.
You are good. You are good.
Wow.
See. Want buy one car, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Me wonder say.
Oh, man, no.
Oh, you are going now.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if I could have borrow your cut.
Cut up. Yeah. Cut what? Cut what? Answer me no cut what?
What do you mean by cut out? You know me at all, but you know things set already. You know code. Me say I want borrow your cut.
I prank me down. Then me not tell you say I want my piece to go deal with something or down a country. Me not tell you already.
Yo, you see. It's what me don't like it sometimes. It's what me don't like it sometimes. Every
So,
time, you see. Me a beg you to do me one favor. You can't do it.
I can't do it, but me don't tell you say me have something to go do a country. You know, you way you so wait then you not consider me neither.
You consider yes, but that could stay. You can't. Where say? You can't let me.
Me no know yet.
You can't let me.
Me have to go think about it. Me have to go think about it because I know you
Me
did.
don't know.
You think no before you ask me. You think about if you ask me, don't. Answer some question you think about if you ask
If
me.
me think about if you ask me, I never think about it. Me
You
just
just-
know say you get a cut, so I want if you borrow.
You think about if you ask me.
Me just know say you get a cut, and I want if you borrow.
Me have to
Me
think
never
about
think
it,
about
but
it. Me
me have
just
think about
know
it.
say you get it, and I want it.
That thing. So bad me for me my own cut. That's why I'm not, you know, I'm going to take the time.
Yo, I tell me not left to live about on place. You know, make no sense right now.
No, right now, we can't manage
Right
yourself.
now, you fully don't
Yeah.
want me, and I make no sense
No,
right
right
now.
now, we can't manage your energy yourself right now.
Why you live for proud or something? If I can't manage my energy, it's a fear business, because sometimes I even like myself. Why?
Yeah, man. See me on this stuff. Everything we do.
Yeah, man, everything good and with that certain things. But in a real life, you don't know, say, me I want to play the show. You know. Everything me I do, you know.
Yeah, man, you know, say words them safe.
You don't know, see, the girl as slim as you are.
What? I was trying to sleep, not true?
You don't know what I do.
Mm.
You don't know, say, my grown there or something. Grown there. A big attitude. And what you know, we have to go change spot, you know, because I'm not too trust run there like one time. Another time, I try boss up certain things, you know, my friend. But what you know, a be a strange man, be a strange face, me see around there, man, but I'm not like the move. Grown if you put up, for let off something them attitude, me I get think, yeah, I'll move like, say, you know, no, say.
And that you can deal
That
with.
me I can deal with. Attitude. You see me? And then here we go, see, no, here she go say to me. She want borrow my code.
What you mean by your cut?
To buy a car.
Jesus.
Like she a try to take me for idiot. You see me? Me not like that.
Alright, here why she do that now. You remember when I ropes around so? And then we tell us, boy, make she deal with her situation by herself. You turn back now and say, I will help her out and rate it and make sure she reach her yard. Because, let me tell you something about Simmons. Because when I really want to call her name, so, let me tell you about Simmons. Simmons stuck in one way there, you know. And she used miserable thing and I try to run certain. That's why I just keep her at a level.
No.
In level, I keep her, she knows that she can't ask into them kind of favor. Like.
Then
And right now, she accepts that now, you know. She feel like she can manipulate the facts, say my woman. You
one
know.
of the time I go ask me if I want her. I make she know say me no want her. She knows say me no want her, you know.
So-
You know say I move like a man. You know say I move like a man for true.
Not true, man.
Me can't man in fast on you, you know.
He sound desperate though. I wonder what kind of desperation.
No
I
man,
want.
what that member say, you know. Boss, member say, you know. Me have family life to take care of, you know. Right now too, me see place I run. Me have to make sure say me save up family little piece of shillings cause I want to make sure say if not and the police they run in, me have somewhere can go deal, somewhere can go things can go deal with
Yeah,
food
that.
can pull it and me have people who want money to things. You see me?
Yeah.
So when she come with me and I give me attitude, me not like that. As we tell her before, we have to go find a next spot cause watch her. A be a strange face as me tell her before.
Because I hear that one little talk, one little brother tell me say be a police, a circle around and them don't really know where I go because the place don't really look like I want, you know, one hot spot like that. And that's the only reason why sometimes I bring it come on my yard because, you know, rope straps, people can run in. At 3 times police running for me. And they don't find nothing, they can't find nothing. But them have an idea that that I go on because my name bigger street. You understand me? I say, but I only read. But you don't have to go. We have to reason with Pinky and so we have to keep on a card and
You know?
I have to reason with them and see what I'm going.
Yeah, man, because me really not too like what I go on, you know. And tell her, say, what you know? You see, when we come our yard, our business, strictly business we come from. We don't come from no friendly nothing until he start begging me money. How you feel like? You know, have life too.
I really thought.
That's it. You have to hold up your time. You
Yeah,
know?
man, do that. As I'm going to say, everything drop off and everything, right? Yeah. So, me shout you. On Tuesday 7th, the 7th, Tuesday 7th, make sure you get your practice. Yeah?
Kemar Williams.
It's like a land. I know your heart's afraid of me, someone like me. You've seen the flow, the flex of what you think it could be. I know you're thinking that I'm just a bad child.
How that?
Breaking hearts is the only thing I'm good for. I'm saying I can be that one to take away your pain.
Try that because what things are there. What going man? Eh? Sleeping as usual.
Where you coming from?
No, you know, I think man, you know, working people and I have to make sure everything good, everybody comfortable. You know what I mean? Some just want to, you know, touch base and see what I'm going. Me watch about something already.
I me just tell you something, I understand where you're coming from because that the manager up everything already. And on a regular basis, like this, me never see you pop up so yet. So, how happen?
I'm just saying nothing, man. I want to take it, you know, rate it, but you know, we just have to say, you know, your mood kind of look like you're unhappy or come on, man, good man. You good? Talk to me. Reason me, man.
Me good, nothing do me.
You
Me
sure?
good, yeah, me good man, nothing do me.
Yeah, cause you know, I don't want to feel like you're under pressure and you know, nobody not really consider certain things. 'Cause remember, you know, we are a team, don't? And before we are contact, that's all. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have to just make sure everybody good. You know what I mean? And you know, the place, I say, I have to try to get a lock on the door there, official, because we don't want nobody come. Even though nobody not running certain way, because it covered. But we can't take no chance. Don't. Mm-hmm.
Well, right now me there in this hot place. I want to do something, you see me? I want to do something. Right now you see me in me a bleach and it come like say me can't reach because this a hot place. Yeah. Me just stuck up in a place. So.
But remember,
You understand?
Remember, I say, I work, and everybody have to do what they have to do. You know what I mean? One man cut it, and man carry it, one man get in a place where, you know what I mean? So few thing is just for security. So I call it the goalkeeper. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you call me goalkeeper, that is not the point. Me need to go out. You understand? Me need to go out.
So what do you mean go out? Like,
Me can't, alright, listen what me really upon now me really want.
yeah, be honest, yeah.
Want a car.
Want a car?
Yeah. I may have 1 million. I want the rest. So what you say?
Alright. I mean, I'll give me 2 months then. 2 months, I'm saying me
Come like say, hold on, loco, plus nah work.
What do you say what I own? What do you mean? Like, oh, so you ask me about this already?
You hold on, loco, plus nah work. Go.
I'm confused.
Yo. Me can't wait for 2 months. Me can't wait for 2 months. Me can't there so and stuck up in this thing and me can't go out. Me need to go out. You understand? So 2 months come like a 2 month worth of
Stress, not true. I'm
stress and
debt.
debt.
Alright.
In the cafe.
Alright.
Where you say I go on now?
Alright. So, where I go on? I must say about even things I do. Even though I call it, you know, certain amount of money, we don't want to watch that. Because, you know, every lifestyle have a price. And my lifestyle have a price.
Right now, come like my cut all a job clean now. It might tell you where I know.
No, you can't go, sir.
Hmm?
No, you can't go, sir.
You
I will
can't
talk
go,
about
sir.
our joke.
Retard me. Come like the rest of people them a get more cut on me and now.
Nah, man, that's one
I
thing.
don't see what I go on.
Don't change.
Sense.
Listen, man, I'm not telling you just relax, man. The thing, man, I don't want you to feel so unhappy and irritated. The thing is the same. If you nothing fig change, I have to increase. It can't decrease. Alright, you are going. Give me a week. I'm gonna say we can work at it for you.
Well, the week not so bad, you know.
But me can't go more than maybe 500,000. So if it work your
You
budget.
have to do something better than that, man.
You mean you have to do something better than that?
You have to put some more on it.
You hear what I say? A loan or a gift? You have to tell me.
It's a loan.
If it's a loan, you know, say, it was can't pass this, so you have to give me a time. I must say, I'm here paying, so, and like say, you understand? I will step back out of the money, say, this time we are there. So I'm here to tell you. So me I say, so this decision have to be one where you know exactly what you are doing. 1 week time you can get 500,000. And think you just go and hold it and easy. Come on, the place secure. Which one you left it? Same place you left it? Come on, I mean I always tell you say sleep on the bed the way stuff there. Alright, you what me gonna do? I'll give you a call later on. See? Because I don't like how your face and your vibes look. That's my problem. You understand me? I said, me's a brother who I like happy vibes, you know. Happy money me like to collect. Happy people me like work
If
with.
you want to work on happy people, make people happy.
So that's why I'm there.
You hear me? I tell you.
And that's why I'm
Alright,
there.
I'm stuck up in this hot house here. Can't move. Can't do nothing. And that's something if you expect for in my life. Stuck up in a I can't get no car. Hello. What go on there? My cousin. You know what I talk? For a long time, girl.
What?
For a long time, girl. Yeah, yo. Yeah, them they are going easy. I'm going with. Okay, nice. Yeah, man. They are going easy as usual. Yeah, man, a good man, you. Alright, now see how me knock you up back later, eh? Aye.
Thanks for being idea, you know.
Brother.
How you go now?
Yeah, I know.
Think of an?
Yeah, man, send me a phone girl a link, you know.
No, today that idea there, no?
Yes, boy.
So go on.
You know, saying I real life.
Think about good.
Yeah, everything go good people. Thing go good and so send me a come back from face side and come here with the but here because I said you.
Boy,
Yeah.
that's what I mentioned mine still, my friend. God knows that, but so you say go on different the dog, you know? I'll think about it.
Boy, I be things are going, you know. But
I mean, there's some first bad
yeah,
man
but
that.
just, yeah.
Yeah, that got no man for a parent. I mean, I said, oh, cash stay. Oh, cash flow stay too.
What you talk about?
I just didn't know that. You say that. I should get straight to the point, brother. Because I'm not be corrupt on my parish, my friend. But I'm going to say that. You feel like say funds are share right now.
Sometimes I meds it to me, boy. Sometimes I meds it to boy. You know what things said? I meds it more, you know. In real life, I meds it, but watch you know. The truth, me can't change it. I have to just work with it, you see me?
Post me tell us right now, see?
Mm.
Meds say dog. I like say you try to fight against no man thing, you know, my friend. I like say Ray, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But right now, I'm pretty sure I'm going to kick off more thing in the dark.
Mm.
Me and I go and me can't do a thing. So me and I bush my friend, me and I hot friend, my friend. I dig up my
Yeah,
friend. I dig up my church, and I say another day, we don't know who like connect them already, my friend. Everybody don't know it already, my friend. We don't know who if you know. I dig up my church, remember in a man. Coast guard, everything, my friend. Such a, we don't really need a make money in that. I dig up my church, but which at the same time we can still. You know, supply them, my friend, but watch out, who have to do full little thing, brother. You dig a man charge here? Cause pre-meds, man. Pre thing now. Then little chum change a dog more while dogs go up on a one bar, brother. He shake out. Can't go supermarket 2 times a month without them food, just thing, brother.
So you try to tell me, say, you want out and do your own thing certain way.
Yeah, dog.
You say you want me to forward it in night with you.
Then make one
But the meds and me I tell you, say, brother, I don't think you go work, you know, because I try already, you know. In real life, man, I try already. I try multiple times, try different ways to just lift up and do a thing for myself, brother, and never work. Right now, as me there, I just want to work with them and work with right now.
Well, watch out now. I never did me in my time there. I remember saying that you can't do chop when I said, I'm trying to say that myself, I'm going to be corrupt on my friend. But I remember saying, man, they love their cushion pang in my friend. There's something I have to ease them on the energy, because sometimes feel them energy with the whole way down, brother. Not because something that, or that look. If you know, say, I can't go and $3 million a month, my friend, I mean, I can't call out $5 million for a month, my friend, and stay so that
So make a 3, me have to collect and you collect 5. So what I'm to me know somebody you feel like say me was
Dad, no, you have a pretty thing, remember saying, you know? And me go to pay work and then you know pay no work out of fear for you.
no man, you just tell me say no, we no middle man na business and
that. You make $3 million now? What type of fear? You make $1 million now? I'm on.
what you know, it better that, alright, what you know, me shoot me answer you.
Yes.
It better.
Better
Right
what
now,
better?
I'm sure that the money there, I'm not sure if your money yet, you know. Me not sure for your money yet, you know, me sure that the money there, you know, me G.
Brother.
Um,
See this. You tell me say that you're a sucker for crumbs. Then I'm gonna try to go for what I bread.
Sucker for crumbs.
Yes, man, it's for the back in the ideas, you're going to slave them, you know. It's that mentality that come with.
I'm not about slave, my friend. I'm not about slave, but I'm sure the money, I'm sure it left that I'm not sure, my friend. I'm sure of this. Yeah, I say.
Look, oh my God, I must say first, you know. The dog say, alright, you want to give him 10 pounds.
Mm.
Till the dog say, you have to step it up to 15.
Mm-hmm.
See? You step up your money yet?
You don't step up your money, that me want to talk to him about too.
I hear them a whisper say, I saw 25 pounds they want now. I don't hear them make no talk about rising cash. But you work keep on doubling and tripling, but the funds not doubling and tripling. So if you want to sit down there, my friend, and buffer, you're going to beat, but that means that means whisper not to no man, my friend.
No, think about it.
Start my operation right now. I mean, I really want nobody can try. You know? Be a full stop to my thing, friend.
Tell me there, me I wonder, what make a 5 million you want and a go?
But man, take your mind off of that, no man. Just breathe. If I don't want to go frackers at 3 million a month, you know. How much do you collect a month, friend? Man, sometimes I'll 2-3 months and I collect nothing. I assure 3 months every month. Remember saying that? We are the connectors. Remember saying that? How much money you see them and then I collect for one fee play them. How much millions of them are clear for one fee play them. Brother, we should have clean and hot, my friends. Me there Sunday we can put like a phone on the house, brother.
No, they want
Me tell us me rent who actually people them rate me, my friend, and they show me up some style. So all me, you know, for the pushing energy with you, I the girl me think. So I know
so
so
what
me can
girl
be
thing? Me tell us about girl thing.
not you, brother, not you. Oh gosh, me just use it as an example, my
No,
friend.
I use me as an example.
Alright, sorry, my brother. Because I'm not going to do me that to show you. But as that mention, where the pan?
I have to go. Actually, I have a number. Me call you and make you know the things.
Remember saying, we don't have to do so first ready.
But I tell you before, I make a call. I call you. I call you and make you know I go and call. Right now, from morning, I be things are going and right now I be new things me I hear right now from morning. Cause what you know? No, yeah, good and a bad too. A good and a bad. Cause why a bad? Because I saw unexpected things.
Unexpected.
You don't know slimmers. Okay, I think them like a thing them like slimmers.
Yeah.
And slimmers come like you are using crayfish brain for me. I tell me say she man Mike, I demand me for my cut her money, you know. So all they sit there get to my brain and that, you know.
Man, you're so much in a business, you know, man.
But you tell them here we chat.
You go on, man. Say you go on like your skill and your word.
No.
You name, you know, man.
It's not about name, here we chat, man. I tell them, you think about where you just say.
Yeah, that's the thing, man.
Alright.
Chimel and man.
Alright.
Can't meet somebody to fight back, man.
Hello? Who? I lie at her. Wait, who this? Who this for you? Jeez, I'm petty mouse. Girl. Yeah man, still down here, man. Still down here. Alright, no problem. Which place you say there? Down at your place? Oh no, okay. Okay, send me, yeah man, just send me your direction thing, man. We'll find out where they feel. I can't believe how me attack you right now. Alright, no problem. No problem, man. Alright, cool. Me I come link you right now. Cause me have a bridging to link up in a few. The bridging ISIS. You don't know if you remember him still. Alright, me a forward. Just send it to my phone right now. Send the pin to my phone so me can forward and link you up. Alright? Put in your voice, man. Think you forget for a long time. Alright, yeah, of course, we catch up. Alright? Alright, cool. Something must a dream. Yo, Isis, you are going now. Give me one extra 30 minutes. Me I come link you. No, come link me. Wait for me in my place. Just carry that something there. Come link me there so and we talk. Alright? Cool. Respect. Yeah man, respect is due. Alright, my brother. We shall get it. Hug you or I shake you? Huh?
Which one now?
No.
Want a hug?
You want a hug?
Yeah.
I'll take you up. Good God Almighty.
So what?
Yeah, man. Let me get the phone call and as a matter of fact, you ask her to get me now. Is there, I see him now me from
easy
them
thing
time.
to get, man.
See him now me from them time and so forth. So what kind of, I don't know, what draw you back in the community because, since you left and see you gone to college and them something there.
Well, are you make me come back?
Me?
Yeah, because
I said that.
to find.
Whoa, that sound like more feel special and don't know how to take it. You know what I mean? You feel like a bar and you order one special and have a drink, eh?
I know back then, I young and foolish. And I never understand what is love or I never know the meaning of a serious relationship. So that's why I did say, I don't want you to break my heart. So that's why I break your heart first.
Jesus
and then do it. Because
Wait, you hear what you're saying now? If you forgive me, like, really and truly to me, I feel like the influences of people were drawing you to that situation because, you feel like what happened to them, what happened to we, and they make a decision and say, yeah, go, and, but, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, you break my heart. But 1 and 2 times, wash my face and sitting. Everything good in my life. I'm glad I do it. Because if I never do it, I want to be who I am right now. Set myself and live for people a certain way,
But
So.
I want to forgive. Can you forgive me?
Forgive you, man.
Are you sure?
Forgive you, man. It's been so long and thing, and as a man, you have to understand, say, yeah, it's good. It's good, man. It's good. But we really and truly want to know. Where you say you come, you say you come from me now,
Because you say, alright, so I go and I understand certain little things. I go and I say, alright, I know, I feel like I time for me to come back from a relationship. But are you single?
Jesus.
Are you single?
To be honest with you, I'm not going to say I have complications because, if me go tell you something, I don't nobody know. You know what I mean? You're going to look at me as a liar, straight, right? So I can tell you, say, I don't have nobody where serious because I really have been time there. The work I'm doing now is just that I have to just here and this so I can't really, something. Yeah, man, the work I'm doing, so we have to work, we have to eat, we have to take care of yourself, lights, you know. But this place is one of the places where I wanted to actually buy a house and so forth. So what you doing yourself? Like, you know, I mean, like explain some more to me. Can you just appear, call my phone, and I'm there now, you hug me up and tell me so you come for me. It's like right now I don't know what to say. You know, you feel like, you know, like I want a lot to take me winner. I don't know if I feel it or, you know, if you're going to get taken away or what.
No, not like that. It's just that. Yes, I mean, I come back down, build up back pieces with you, link up back with my cousin, because a couple of years now, I'm not here for now, well. So I just come here and I call you. I call she first and then I call you.
Funny enough to say that, you know, because while you were talking to her, I was on the, you know, I reason with her a certain week, you know, because, you know, when I community, we grew up together and something, and, you know, we're not in no. So nobody feels me and she and nothing, because you know, so she
no,
had G.
me just did I say, how you want to feel and so, with the inner something.
Nah, man, I'm not staying with you. You know what I mean?
Understand.
So, boy, right now I don't know if you take it. Alright, so you stay there now and you want to get comfortable and you have a number and we go talk. That good?
Yeah, that's fine by me.
Boy, I know I'm still shocked.
Yeah, shock for
I mean, because the long time first love there and thing I tell me, I don't wear glasses and them something, you know, I don't know.
Yeah.
You know, you look athletic though, like your gym. Like, what you do right now?
Hey, you know, alright, guess what? Like, the next time we meet, me tell her what I do, but now I'm not going to tell her about it.
Fair enough.
You're easy for you to deal with. I know lots about you already.
No, man.
You just need to get more info.
Info. Right, first say go. But, you know, I'm confused, but as I say, I first in a long time I feel confused, because as I say, I really love you back then, you know.
Oh, so you don't love me?
Let's see what's going on. We talk, yeah?
Alright, be safe, yeah?
Alright.
Hi, Chief. Yeah. I just meet up with him, but yeah, I'm not just jumping and also. Yeah, I just talk to him smooth and tell him that I just want back a relationship. Yeah, next time me try get some information, but I talk to my cousin because she have some experience can give me, understand? Yeah, me can find out some stuff from her, and then when me get to know him a little bit more better, me get the rest of information. Alright, me keep her posted. Yeah.
Hello. Girl, are you there? Eh? Yeah, man. So I use the GPS and find that so. So, yeah, one big black gate. Alright, don't come because it's so hot and I'm the hotel. You know, a matter of fact, I'm not going to wait till that, so I'm going to pull it and come in. Alright. No, man. You can get a night hotel. I wish she did. Girl. No. You look good.
Thank you.
You look good. You're doing up everything.
Yeah.
Look at you, man. Because your life video. You need to tell me the details of our work. Because life. So much.
When we did have come down, me did want to surprise. Like I remember saying this morning, me call and tell us to meet me. So me just did book this online. I want to place me.
Good old 3 year grandfather. I remember say piece of board house we used to live in there. So me don't know when you upgrade this and you not tell me nothing.
No. As me say, I rent, but the rent here is kind of too high. So I did ask if I can come down here and go and stay. Because I can't manage to stay here. So.
Yeah, me man, cause girl I can come down here and go and stay. So but how will I not stay?
And how that matters.
No, me just ask you. Me just ask you how long you stay. Cause you know when you come down from no, what you call over there? Foreign. Ono the all boat.
No, I'm not going all about. I just some young stay.
Okay.
Because no certain stuff.
Yeah, man, they can come down there. So when I plan to come down there.
I did that one day if we can come this evening.
This evening.
I can't think.
I think I want to go about me feel. It doesn't sound too bad. Anyway, so you want me to do wait for you?
Yeah, I can't wait for me. But we talk a little bit now, so yeah.
No, me just ask if you want me to wait for you.
Yeah, you can't wait for me because I don't want to help me pack up my stuff then to come down.
So tell me something, cousin. I wish me is bread on you.
Girl, alright, to be honest, a long time not soon, so I just set me and forward back in my place and find out what I want to do. Because I'm about that bag of things, you know?
Huh? You're going to bag of things, you mean by that, cause? Because when I like how you're talking, cause fix it for talking, you mean by, you know, so I see them all me, you know?
You know what
I see them all maga piece or something, I see them all me. I see them all cause I have girl. They are me yard, lay down, eat, get up again, watch TV.
So, nothing else fancy in my business now, but you don't work.
Eh?
You don't work.
Yeah, me work.
What kind of work?
I do work. Well, you know, say, you have one little soldier there with them care. Go and give me some of my time and me keep. So me keep him for 3 days. And me collect me little money.
You have one soldier with
One little baby they always care go and give me. So me keep him for 3 days.
Baby, you keep
ca-
a baby, your baby safe.
Yes. Different that. I did have one little bar work me there do, but I left the bar because you know them man these days they don't have no manners. You understand? What a long time now if woman that carry baby come give me. I don't know if she migrate, I don't know what go on with them. You understand? Yeah. So you would have come down here now. I have to go ensure say you're alright, cause and that's why I ask you how long you stay. You understand?
I think for 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
So what's wrong? Is something wrong?
No, not at all, not a thing. Let me tell you why I bother me cause.
Talk to me straight, man.
You ask me about my life. It is a question of the business, alright?
Yeah.
Me want to ask you now, what kind of work you do? What make you really come back? No, what make you really come back? Because 3 years ago, you know, you never give up to come down and so. You come look for me. You understand? And about miss. So what kind of work you do? What make you reach back here so?
Because I missed you. That's why I come back here so. And I still like at school, I don't start work yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But me up on break. I'm on a 3-month break. So that's why I'm here. So I say I can spend the video coming and see you. How long and then give me that little time. But then remember so them pay me next to go to school, so just come spend it with you. So, you know, enjoy the good time.
Next thing too. Here I say. You see money where you use where you say I rent is a big old house. Give me the money, like we go down here and make you see the money where I take rent, we couldn't take and buy groceries.
Yeah, we both of us gonna go and make shopping.
You understand? I know. But you're spending more. Let's go. Come look for like a few things then.
What kind of job is you do again? Alright, when we reach down, we'll talk about it. You coming or not?
May I come, mom? Just have a look at the place.
It's a beautiful place.
Yes, that beautiful place.
Yeah. I want to see put the thing there for that. Bed and that bed bottom. Oh, I'm trying to do that. Where you going now?
Go ahead.
Every day I go and do nothing. Oh.
I'm a cousin. Because you're a good man. One day I did.
Thing balance though.
Man, they are going easy, you know?
Right. Make a quick slide to them.
Yeah, man. So you say go?
Yes, sir, man. Beat up too special. You know I go, man. Let's,
Yeah, man.
you know I go. Make it bird right.
Alright.
I got you like. Cause, huh? I always say Smith. Who is Smith here? No, man.
No, I just want to know because I just like me want more search.
Yeah, me general the way I do, man. Cause when you using a man, we show you place set up right now.
No, Pinky, me want to know so which part of the safe. You can't have me just come in and go see one man in your house. Mama said me
Don't you look like a safe?
Me don't know what you have to tell. When
You're
just
safe,
when
cause-
just did I do? When just did I do?
You might do something. You
Why
might do
just did I do,
something.
Pinky? You can't just have me in
He
your
come
house.
for some things. That's some
Why?
things he
What
come
that?
for.
What
Eh?
was that? What was that?
Some tools he come
What kind
for.
of tools?
You don't know tools. You don't know tools.
What
We
kind
use
of-
and work pan place. You don't know
No, me not. No, what kind of stupidness that you
tools
tell
you use
me.
and work pan. So,
Let me hear them, Pinky.
so if you're not idiot, what you see?
Pinky, me and cousin, we not hide things from each other. We open up to each other. So if me go there, so you have to be honest with me, Pinky. So we are trying to say you not trust me again?
I didn't say that.
No, but it seems like you don't just because something is going on in your house and you don't want to tell me. You're supposed to open up to me. Like, seriously, like, what, me come down yourself for what? Like, me come down yourself to build back my bond with you and
Cause, alright.
I feel so...
Alright, listen.
Yeah.
Remember say, me have to try to make a little money on the side, right?
Yes.
You see what you just see?
Mm.
I hit a see.
So you dealing with guns? Huh?
No,
Yeah.
just associate with them.
So you know the drugs too?
No,
Wow, no. What do you mean you just associate? Oh, so I need
obviously cause you're not blind and I just see what I go on.
Public. Is what?
What?
Public.
Public is nothing. What?
Like-
Cause what I'm to you, cause me have to cool off.
No, really, I go
Cause-
because I don't understand what I go on.
Me
think,
can't
like-
explain this right now. Me just want to cool off. My brain want to cool off, you know. Me cannot explain this.
Alright, we're going to get a little time to cool off and then remember saying I'm going to explain.
Alright, cuz. Boy, you know, yo, you don't want to tell us say,
What?
you're still enough in America. From them the long time, you're just enough, brother. What make you so nosy? Remember mama used to pinch up your nose and juke in your big eye. Fit up fast in people business. And push up your nose in it. You're too enough. Me can't believe say so you're still enough, cuz. Just take a
I
fight.
just want to know some safe girl. I'm just want to know what really are going
You're safe. Let me just take a,
listen, I don't want nobody can run in for we, you know. And that's the thing, you know. I remember some don't know the guy.
Go on
We
next
just go
to your
see.
room. Go on next to your room. I'll take a 5.
Alright.
Just enough so man.
My cousin keep all her weapons them. Yeah, she protect it for them. Like she literally not gonna know it. But you have man who come in, come load up and way back and drop off. When me get to understand. But it seems like a public eye boss. I not fully get all the information then yet, but me I get to make over the I kind of hear a little rattling in my house, but me go Calabar. Yeah. Pinky?
Just get the thing them and pick up the thing them on this side now. I'm gonna link up the one better now. You know, go on when them ready. You know, team turn captain, you have to depend on team time, you know?
Very real, man.
Feel, you know what to know you go. Think of a different door.
I mean, I say everything good, man. I just link you up to make sure say you know good because more and more say everybody up on the same level, the wavelength where it's supposed to be. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man, everything.
Yeah, man, guys.
Everything's fixed up, man. Come here, check it, you know. You see me? Everything live, man. But watch out. Where there? One more note too. You recruit somebody new.
Recruit somebody. No, you're mad, man. One team, I same team, man. You know, cause I know it's in, you know.
Oh, man.
Only can get better at times, but not right now still. But you know, you can't recruit nobody. You want to recruit somebody for put on your salary?
No, not really. No, sir. No, man. We just have an idea how the food I chat, man. So I know if I same team, as I said. So we just know, alright, I see him sharing or going. You know?
Yeah, man, the same thing, brother. Nothing change, brother. Cause we can't organize until, you know, we spread the wings and have a different location. You know what I mean? Roof traps.
Yeah.
But my mother tell me, say, if it's not broken, don't fix it.
Touch it.
You understand me? I say, I make it stay and nyam little and nyam long. I realize, say, you know, the whole of we don't invite nobody who are going to jeopardize the thing because family come from down. Yeah. So I just that me organize and one thing. So, I have a link up with basically everybody still and more, you know, link with you to make you know, say, yo, you know, based on, you know, the progress of everything, by the end of the year, everybody's supposed to be nice. You understand me? I say, nothing will change.
Right.
So I'm going to, you know, just drop off it. And make sure you drop off it. Yes, everything in my bag now.
Everything, man, I feel heavy. And I cheer even, I cheer somebody else, I cool me after this, so call cool, I sweat like a hug, man. I chat with you like a man.
That's cool.
Really?
But cool. I mean, so just stay off of the certain main role where, you know what I mean, expect certain things. You know, say,
anybody who got to me, so chat with the Almighty, man. Walk past all the boy, them brawling already, man. But as I say, we're going to take your advice still.
Yeah, but do it now.
You know, cool.
Let's do it, man. See?
Alright.
I'm going to
go by here, sir.
Yeah.
Alright, chat.
Alright.
and not captain of one boat then.
Oh, God, I'm saying no thing there, man. Saying, man.
Hmm.
I pack it with all the time to come yesterday.
So,
Remember saying, fire in night. Before you go out there.
So listen now. What is the problem now? You're going to give me package the bag and everything. You know, say captain, me and you, the boat, the captain, and
So
brother.
you responsible, can't think fast, father.
So listen now.
So teacher ain't talk to
Teacher talk to me, nobody
Boss
talk
ain't talk to
to me. Talk to on different levels.
I said, I'm
You understand?
sure going different level.
Well, maybe I go on easy, you know. No, say, I flat to me there and, you know, my captain of one boat out there, say boat there. Yeah, man, boat out there.
Oh, second upon you out there with you.
No, sir.
Second
I'm alone out there. I'm be a tourist out there. So once, you know, I'm gone, I still see me gone with this, you know. So what's going on with General? A long time, I'm going to see a thing, man.
No, I up on the hill there. But what's your name? I'm going to say everything must be do different.
But one?
What you mentioned yesterday, see,
Yes.
in our real life, dog, you know, so I'm not too love how the funds are coming down. But Mr.
The
Chow,
funds?
I don't really want to inquire in your business. I say, I don't really want to know how much you get out. But I say
Listen,
that,
I say no.
you mentioned Nah, prefer to start my own operation.
I understand, but
we still
Listen,
push
no.
bossy thing, you know.
listen, I say no. I like you switch up thing, you know, brother.
No, man.
You say switch up on ground, so I don't like it. Guess when you switch up on ground, so one get carbine or alibi. You know that like stick with one team. You understand? See there? Upon the scene there, a one team, one dream.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you tell me say you want to do I sit on another side. Wait, I talk about boss.
No,
no,
I should remember saying already. You know, you didn't say you can't put all the egg them in one boss.
Understand, but me loyal and boss never
you
grow
know,
me.
my father will not pressure that. They can just put that on one side and us. I can't smell span that one time, but you know, we don't pressure that part. The women are different. You know, you're not boss recruit, no new somebody.
This is what me I say. Me see I'm blind and deaf enough. If me see, I got to tell you something I say. If me hear, I got to tell you something I hear. So, if you live longer in your life, you have to see. Here I'm blind. There.
I think you're responsible.
But I'm not know about nothing like that, bro.
I'm going to say I mix and be on
I don't know about the beat. We're around there.
When you block with everything, my friend. I load me load up this about my friend. I see woman tapping with Pinky. I like
that means the black are run loose. Like a loose ball.
You say my chap is sure.
Boy.
I see him, I see one.
I understand. But remember, say me change. Remember, say me change, you know.
No, but I know say a big
Me a
captain.
captain and one thing and
You know that. You know that.
license and thing
You
and
know that.
I know. I see me a pray. When I pray, I pray. See back a gang thing. Check. I let it go. I'm money is about me US. I'm millions now.
Who want to make some US team about man? We are no captain, my friend. I say I walk foot, my friend. I want to make some US team that you make it thing look so that.
Boy, you have to work, but different on your try to
Watch out, man. You know, pressure that has made today, but what I say, I really want because my spirit does not take a beat there. I first time I see it.
on this one.
But I don't know
If
that.
I'm left on this, I'm going to go back on this. So I don't know. You see me, I drink my rum and my special, brother.
That was me
I
walk
see me
past
a
it. They walk past it, the touch up bag. When I tell me I feel laugh,
What the media you idiot, man?
you think I'm a child share?
You know sense. You not even know who you are.
And they
Who.
come like you don't know him, me don't know him. So I have to go run across the boss and stuff.
We are you?
No, me responsible.
I know me are you.
So you're
I
captain,
am
man.
the one, me
So
a
you're
captain. Anybody want you want to dash
Tell
your
them,
see, just call me.
But you know, man, listen, me now hold up to no long. So do you guys
You know what me
know
can
journey,
listen. What me can
Alright.
see, nobody can find me now. You jump the fly. They say wild horses and what?
That's all. The son of his name.
Alright. What you know?
That's what you man. Just to the right. Yeah, that.
Yeah, forward, look. Wait. Yeah, look, there you go. I'll get fucking down and I'll go. Can't think it.
Hello. Yeah, going.
Pinky, what go on? There, man. You see me there up on the beach side.
How am I there, man? If you call link you?
Yeah, man, they're right beside around there with you. So, right by boat bar. You know a boat bar there? So right when you turn in, man. I'm on the left side.
Alright, I'm calling link you now.
No, I understand why I go around this, you know. Unless I move too loose, you know.
See how it.
Yes, the people are running around out as they feel like on the block. You know, so not so boss black. Boss and left in black so loose. I'm not understand. You govern everything around there, you know what going on. Everything what going around them, I not understand people to chop back and things. You know, we not run them game there. You know what I mean? So what you know, Anglia Bangla can check me. Right now. Right. Yeah, man. Right this one. Right this. This is right. Correction.
That's why I can't take the whole side now. Yo, cause me I go up on the road, you know. I'm soon forward back. Pardon?
Me I said leave me. You're gonna leave me here and go up on the road.
But you're going like your wife man now. You move like your wife man now. So what do you mean by if me I go up on the road and left you? You're a baby?
No, I'm not a baby, but
Me I go up on the road, just go and ease yourself.
remember, so your house is not that quite safe, and I just don't want to be here by myself. So I want to come with you on the road. No, we can't stay here by myself. I want to come with you.
Alright, come on then.
So you move so I can want to come with you.
Come on then.
Yeah, watch me now. I can know we'll build a band. Maybe I'm playing against
Awa.
No, I'm just looking.
Alright.
Where you go now?
There man. That what they make a hook up stuff.
Listen to me, I said, I don't have work. I don't understand. Oh, you're on the block so loose. You're on the block and I want loose ball. I understand. I be a strange people on my block, you know. I don't so boss on the block. Oh, you're on the block so they get loose too? Huh? You know?
If I tell you what loose today for you, you would lick me out here and turn out sorry for me.
This boy, listen to me, I say.
Let me tell you
A
what
bag of people
I
come from boss block.
Bag of people like, oh.
What you mean?
Oh. Bag of people like, oh.
You don't understand?
You don't know.
I'm not dumb.
A bag of people like, oh.
I'm more teeth and toe, tell me so. So a bag of people around there. I feel up back and I feel up strap and a low strap and a... Weed that dumb dash I'm weed.
You see, more teeth and tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Who do want to tell you if you got tell more teeth and tongue, you know?
Why?
You
If
understand?
you tell them, I'm tell them,
Because-
I know me I get pressed.
Because no boy and no girl can press me. And let me tell you something too. If I'm a cousin, I worry about when I can lift up after my cousin, because my cousin is no arm to me.
I remember say,
Yeah?
listen, I see me live. Me live, I see. Me no response so I go upon land. Remember that? Me just come in off I see.
So I go and pan land when you come to me
Listen,
then.
you know what? You know what?
Huh?
Just call to tell you, I'm just get the message to tell you. Clear up everybody up on Bossy Black. Flush straight and cheese. Wash them out with further water. Wash them with lime and salt and sugar. You know what I
You ever
mean?
wash out yourself first before you tell me to wash out
Mama,
people?
listen to me I say.
Huh?
Listen to me I say.
Huh?
You know Bossy a boss not run joke, you know. And if boss come across to certain people on the block, you know, shut
You don't
up.
let me give a shit about bossy.
You don't care.
Eh? You don't let me give a shit about
You
bossy.
don't care.
Let me tell you something. I come to borrow money from you.
For me,
I come to borrow money from you. But you see, you know, you're gonna move like you don't have no sense.
listen now. Me and money and no friends. How much money you don't want, so?
What do you mean by how much money I want, so? You lend me, you have to tell me if you lend me. Yes or no?
Boy, me can lend it, but I want to get it back.
My youth.
That's some birthday and
everybody
birthday.
get them cut.
Listen, I'm birthday month.
Everybody
this
I get them cut down.
Everybody get them cut, but you get your cut different. You have woman and man, my name. Probably get 30, I get
Alright, one more
155.
500,000.
Huh? Why am me? Eh? Me just a side man where I do work for bossy. Why never call bossy? Bossy have all the money, you know. What make of me? You see America me I do, I see America you I do. I see America everybody I do. So why you want some money from me?
You know what?
Me not happy.
Dismiss yourself from friend.
Listen me as I know.
Dismiss yourself. Listen what? I'm feeling
Listen me as I know.
Eh?
You see you? You see you? You see you? You see you? William Pinky. You love you say brain. You say brain. You see your brain? Wow. Your brain for nice. You go on.
What kind of man boss is scared when he work?
What kind of man?
Eh?
Boss pay you last week and he pay me last week.
I'm stuck in a one.
I'm not cooking and stuff. But why you want to tax me? You know, say you want money to borrow. What you do it for your money?
So borrow and tax are two different things.
Me ask you.
Eh?
Where you borrow money
Borrow
for
and
me?
tax are two different things.
You-
Man, this Mr.
You
Shape
can't
man.
tax
Cuts
me.
forward.
You can't borrow no money for you can't try use the head for me. That's what I try do. You know what?
No matter of fact, to me, I got my bombard yard too.
See you. I don't know where you come from and who you.
Where mean you don't know me I come from?
I don't know where you talk about.
What you mean you don't know me I talk about?
Where you talk?
Who saved you from out of jail? Who let you out?
I don't know where you talk about.
Look for me face, cause obviously you're nasty face. Look up for me, up in your yard.
I want me to see you.
What my name?
Eh? What, Detective Spencer or something like that?
Oh, so you're gonna carry that?
Mom,
You realize you're
Mom,
going to chatterbox or not?
me. Let me see a change up now. Me, which part?
Listen
Let me
to
say people business. I'm not here, I don't know what you talk about. What do you mean you talk about?
If you get to me save you from jail.
No, I know say you see me, but we are
I
talking
mean
about
it,
that
yeah,
I'm informer. We are
So
talking
what you
about.
do round, what you do this sir, tell me cousin say?
Who you talk about?
Me put my foot in your throat.
Hey, police girl, I'm right.
Who ya? I police. Hey boy, me send about down there now.
Girl.
Beside the man.
Hey, police girl.
Beside the man.
You're not up in here.
You want to go back
Me ask a question.
No.
You're not up in here. So you did.
Why? Answer a question. You want to go back to jail?
Me not want to go back to jail.
Or you want dead?
Bossy.
Baba.
Yeah, man. You want to talk with us, like, you just do.
Yeah, man, go this way. Yo, I'm share a vibe, see? Right now, I'm pissed off, you know, because guess what now?
Go on.
You know what I say? The package not get delivered properly.
How?
Me don't know what I go on. When I see the Brad,
You know, say from any time, I don't see him back, bossy.
you see my friend
I
time.
see him back from any time there.
I can't get him phone either. I don't know what I go on. Something I go on there.
And you know, say me the link ISIS. When before ISIS go drop off the package and ISIS say man go drop off the package, you want me circle ISIS or what?
Yeah, man, you wait now. Nobody act suspicious.
No.
I want to know exactly what I go on.
Yeah.
Because my last person, I talked to him before, you know.
Uh-huh.
And tell him to drop off him, have everything, have his bag, everything. So I don't understand what real. Like right now, I'm confused. You understand me? I say, this a boy I come tell me some stuff. Me have to just make him know so like that. You understand me? I say, I'm gonna like to feel them weird, you know. Because them a think of draw feds and draw police round
me.
me.
What we do?
Eh?
Go for him.
And that you have to do. Check him, but check him on one level where he don't really understand what going on.
Okay.
Ask him, find out what going on.
I can't come dead or alive, man.
Nah, man, you want me, because we need the money, you know.
Then that's why I say, what you want me do?
Just
Talk to me now,
find
boss.
out the information first. Find out what going on if him drop off it for real.
Who that?
ISIS.
Yeah.
So when you know that, then we can know which part and how we are dealing with stuff.
Alright then.
You answer me? I say, cause I don't know since what 2-3 days now. Yo, it's a feel strange, brother. You need the money, you know. Cause even Pinky are going crazy. We don't have to think about some stuff like she want to buy a car.
Remember say me did tell her say didn't link me already.
Oh, you want to tell me for sure? Yeah.
I'm tell her.
How you say?
Tell her say me have things to deal with. So me didn't get feet. You see me?
Deal with it fast. I just easy myself. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. It's a thing I get to my head now, man. How this can happen in them time, man. All them things can happen. Next time you know how to deal with business. You get me, I say? Take your time, man. You're not gonna fall.
No, man, good.
See what going on? I don't know. Today's not a good day at all.
Why is that?
I'm going to promise myself to take care of a little course for the place about me. I tell you, God, I'm sure we can't work out today. Some stuff, like I come out of the way and I'm sorry for you.
What is perfect?
Sometimes in life, you drink some stuff and you have to feed. And then call it now. Like, when I said up your drink with you? Yeah, I did. At that man. What? I want you.
No.
I want you.
Me drop.
You drop?
Yeah, me drop and me and foot.
It's like a beats, man. I left one of you, You still a fight?
No, me not fight. Me fell on my hand just.
You fall, it's nice.
Yeah.
Well, then we go already. They're going to give them a man enjoy yourself. But you know, I'm sorry, but today's not a good day. Here, I don't want to put you on and put you off. I say, meet me down here, so the boat keep me from my yard and so forth. So.
Really? That means you never prepared?
No, man. As we said today was a sorry, man. Sorry about that.
But this is nice.
Nice, that's true. Take a look at this. I'll show you what's going on. You see?
But you afford something like this?
Oh, me afford something like this, sir? You don't work hard, you know. You're hard worker. Nice. Fish this out. Connected to Black River. I think sometimes we do the boat and run great, but like since 2 days now you're there, problem, I don't know. But I want to become me so connected to the connection of you and love and why you do this to me? Why you do this to me? Why are you here? What the real reason you're here, America? Tell me, man, tell me the truth. Talk to me now. Ow! I forget your hand. Sorry. Take off the cast off, right?
Yeah, because you drop out.
Let's go care, go hospital and doctor, private doctor, you something like that. Yes. But you're sweat. Are you mess?
No. You want me to go back? Because you asked me why am I here, like...
No, it's like, no.
You feel offended, right?
No, please don't feel offended. No, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad.
That may be the wrong thing to come back.
No, it's not about that. It's about me right now. Some things have, something that circle me, something that happened, something I don't know, some energy. I don't know. I have to find out because, some are going bad in my business. I know business is business for me,
You know me as a person you can talk.
I understand.
I always sit down and listen to your talk. So talk to me, let me know what's really going on, what happened.
You sure?
I'm sure.
You can trust her like always.
Trust me.
Hope to die. Stick a nigga in your yard. Jesus Christ. You still having shake on it?
Yeah.
Remember them? Alright, so I'm going to go slow somewhere. Nice good time. But we can't go for them shape this week, yeah?
Alright, that's fine.
You sure?
We have
We just find anywhere, man. So we have money, we do anything happening, Eh? You know what I go? Public my name, you know. Let's go. You like my boat? 4.5 million. 4.5 million. Ay, oh. Really get this straight down.
Go on.
You let off the package of boss, you tell us to let off my friend.
Which package? Package I'm pick up for them, sir.
The package they pick up from down at business.
With the thing them in
Yeah.
there. Of course, I'm gonna put in a Brads on, man. And Brads have a boat out there, so they wait for him, man.
Brother, right now, you wanna see it. Be a foolishness are going for chewing on my boy. This morning, me and see bossy dash sitting in the river, you know, dog. Bossy mad, you know.
What do you mean that is something?
Be things are going bad, man. Right now, to me see it come like say some kind of mind game play are going, bro. And watch out.
Where's the go? Where's the really going?
Yo, thing I can tell you if you do. So as I left from where they now, but check bossy.
Wait, you tell me about package.
Yo.
You tell me, sir, package and reach.
Package and reach it, you know. Package and reach it, you know.
Watch out now. Wait, store come to bomb. Me not tell you if you not trust them. I don't say me not be corrupt one. Me not tell us them a ground the thing. Me not tell you. Me not tell you. So you know. Me not tell you. How much more month now you go wait. See it now.
Me say.
I see me there going.
Bossy.
I see me there go.
Oi.
I see me there
Come
go.
like you know hear me I tell you say. Bossy mad right now. Bossy want dash you everything. Go check bossy, you know, my friend.
So you say, boss, if you say, boss, pray me.
Then no breads I last man hold the package, my friend.
No man, bread. I last one with the package.
But
Me and bread.
brother, it come like two things said. It come like say. To me see it, it come like say. You need link back bossy from you check the top of package. No.
No.
At that, bad man, go check bossy you.
Share something now. Share something now. What if things I've got that we don't know about? Yeah. If I look into this now, Zane, just tell me say a coincidence, my friend. As me, they plan to do for one thing. You see them going to package, you know. I say, think it coming back with a B1. Me don't know, you know. First, me say again in my life, you know. But when I tell first with my bag, you know, I'm like, him a try grab on from bag, like him a try go in and bag, you know. You got my try share, and I be a laugh, think you laugh with me. You know, you can't tell me it's a thing, miss up. I say, from when me tell us a thing now run right, when me not feel good energy, bro. I know goods missing as new woman left on the scene. Matter of fact, when you see Brad there?
Then me try to tell us when I see breads, you know where breads them. Bossy want bossy say, what you know bossy? Bossy, listen me, bossy say me to come to you and make sure say everything.
So it's me bossy pray?
You know, like bossy now pray my dog. Bossy just want to know say everything good with you. That's why bossy send me over here to you. Bossy say me to make sure say
bossy pray me still in the dark. I'll do me try to do my little thing, you know, we still rate you down, you know, so the man is a mad man, my friend.
Brother, you know, you
Brother, have the money on full side, dog, you know. But I don't mean do nothing wrong. The bigger man try to show. But right now, Brads, Slimmers, Pinky, put them on the scope. I mean, tell us the new girl, I mean, no.
Link bossy, I make bossy do my face side of the story. I tell me only can tell her this now, you know. Because you see, true, me don't know, so me don't have no package, and me make bossy know, so me let out the package for you.
Like how this one now. You want to know if you still have a problem. You need to make you $5 million and you can take $3 million.
Go check bossy. Watch out now, me and you chat. Check bossy.
Right, so you see it? You should listen to me. I'm going to already still.
You get some lactose. You don't eat ice cream. Problem in the day. Yes? Enjoy cream. Feels like good old days, eh? So, I have to apologize again. So sorry if you can't really take it on everything, you know, because when you want to see, you have to have some serious meditation. My mind really depends on certain things. I'm going to make no mistake. You can't make a mistake for yourself. You understand? So that's that. But how are you doing?
I'm good.
Doing good, eh?
Yeah, we just come down for you. As we said, we come down for you.
I know mistake can play the part. If I get talking, I'll be a sweet mouth, you give me like when you feel special and you know what I mean, like you want to put up, you know, them you know, them good butterfly feelings, you know, really take it. Cause yeah, you know, so we love you long time. Of course you feel good, but I wonder if you, you know, how much you can take it because you're not used to it. You know what I mean? So it's that. You know what I mean? A lot of times I do something, you know, I tell you God the truth. You know, really do something and even if you do them something that means it really means something to me.
Well,
You understand?
well, that's true, but when I hear you talk about that, when you talk about you,
When talk about it,
what
that's
happened
good.
to you?
Yeah, as we say, some things are going right now what I mean that we can't understand. Like, you know, the business may have everything under control. For some reason, you just get to one place where things are going, you know? Right. The phone ring. So you have man. You have man.
No,
you have man.
really, man.
So your phone ring and you decline the call.
No, I'm a cousin in town.
Because you call it.
I never tell her, say me and you.
Alright. That's the case in the understand. Ring again, you know, so you know, feel away again and so forth. But yeah, alright. So enough about me. What about you? What have you been doing since you left and go a town and all them something like that? You know, you just come back with a physique like you're fit. You the track and field are your police. Eh? Me I say a track and field because you know, are they a soldier? Track and field are your police. Is either because you know,
You
you
do
have
track
fitness.
and field when we in college.
You track and field?
Yeah.
So you don't know what kind of work you do
What
know.
kind of work I do now?
Yeah, it's a standard question. I don't know why you keep smiling to me. I feel like, you know, it's, you know, you're a prostitute and that.
What kind of style that?
Enough people, you know, what I'm doing, you know, them have normal days and the nights them kind of,
I know
and
people
cold
this-
and rated, and, you know.
A therapy people.
You therapy, or you're a therapist. If you break down therapist, you know, and put it in a syllabus, you know, you get the rapist. You know, the rapist. Alright, that's nice though. That's good, but you never know. So you don't like the profession about them. That don't sound like a you that.
Well, in life, when time you work towards something, things happen, so you just change career sometimes to something different.
You know what I believe? We believe, say, if you do what you love, you don't work a day in your life. That's what we believe. And you know, you're always, you know, I want to say now, the investigation thing, and you know, you're more a person who, you know, to get answers and, you know, seek out and search out and more to be like, if you try for tongue police, try it, man.
I
It
was
work out.
trying, but it never worked out.
But you know, if you tongue police make you a friend, none at all. Not everyone know you. You understand? And if you know that,
I know that.
yeah, see, so there's no say.
So that's one of the reasons why I really kind of change my career.
Because of me,
You become find out certain stuff about you, so
we may find out certain stuff. That's so now, you know, you've been investigating me as a private what? What?
as a private investigator.
Talk to me now, man. You've been finding what's up about me, like if you have a girlfriend or
Yes, if you have a girlfriend, what you've been doing.
poor mother part, man. You know, really, as I said, we do have a girl 1 or 2 times, it's not nothing serious, you know. Then come start your service and just cut, you know. No, I'm gonna be honest. So, imagine this now. To be truthful or to tell lies, you shouldn't prefer. Truthful. It's not telling straight out, but you know, make you feel like, say, you know what I mean? At this time, I don't do this. The ice cream is cold. You know, eat up the ice cream a little bit now.
Oh, true, I
Yeah.
say, but
I'm say ice cream is cold, but it's not that. You see, you told me that idiot! Oh my god! But
But really and true, what kind of work you do?
You know me, I'm a hustler. I'm for the streets. From man, you know, see me as, you know, do things in such a way where, you know, if me have 10,000 more, I can make 40. Again,
Sorry.
you have to tell, hey, you have to tell her I said. I said Pinky at that one. You have to tell her I said, when you gone on dates, leave you alone.
You never tell her something.
You want to tell her? But I just said, in life, I just say you have to just do your heart desire. And if you say a therapist, the rapist,
I'm not a rapist.
just
I'm
be
just a
yourself.
therapist.
But let me say, me now, let me say, my house can me have 10,000, I have 40,000. I think it's to make it this. Streets. Let me say the streets mean like, you know, call me an entrepreneur. What is that?
That sounds great.
That sound good? Yeah.
So you're your own boss, sweet girl.
Yeah, man. I'm in a team, man. You know, make sure the team organize and conversation.
No, what did I say? A guy at the house.
Which house?
I think it was. Like him come home, pick up some stuff.
You were there at that time?
Yes, I was there.
Mm-hmm. What kind of stuff in people? This is every ton police. You feel just ton police and
But
that.
when he was passing, I just barely touched his back, but he take it really offended.
You was offended?
I don't know why.
Alright, you know what? We have to go maybe reschedule because you know what, never go, as we say, you know, today was not a great day, you know, but you know, how about we continue at the next time?
I don't like this.
No.
No, I don't like this.
Why you don't like?
Like from when come my boat here, tell me it's not a great day.
Yeah, but it's not for
literally,
real.
Like I've been here 2 weeks now, and I literally don't have no time at all.
Yeah, because
I have this day with you now, and tell me say it's not a good day. Like
tomorrow.
I don't know.
Tomorrow day.
I'm
We change my
trying to-
clothes. You know, me feel uncomfortable and I do something. So I'm gonna take a shower.
And then when tomorrow,
Oh my God! I forget. Oh, you see, this is not a good day. Let me see if I can. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. No good fish. Come on. I promise to say tomorrow I'll make it better for you. All right.
if you say so,
But today I'm gonna say.
I'm gonna take your word for it.
Take me word for it. Which I mean, build up some. I mean,
Oh, you what?
it's like you know stuff. It look like I'm blood up. You know. We talk, yeah. So just text me on each one. I will take it from there.
No problem.
All right.
Later.
All right. Access.
Teacher. Come on, let's call it and show me a cream man. I say, we can't believe I really come. Yeah, say thing them not reach all now. I know.
I'm telling you, bro, because right now, I tell you, say, things kind of set away in my brain where I trust people, I give people the avenue for they make a food and build a band and build a team. I don't know what I'm going. You know what I mean? Because it's there when they link me and say I got drop off the bag. You drop off the bag.
Drop off the bag in my man hand.
In your hand.
Remember say man did the bounce and I tell me say yo, if you hurry up catch you. Them a wait for him come.
He went junk.
Well, I'm not going to say junkie, but you not beat a one special. I'm not going to say the junk, but I see that one special in your hand, you know. But watch me say to you now, bossy. Remember, I tell you, you know, go up on the block and I see an unknown object, you know. Remember, I tell you, you know.
You say unknown object on the black road, so.
Wait, I lie. Me not tell
So
you.
hold on, so hold on.
Remember my ask you say yo, if you imply nobody knew,
Yeah, that you tell me.
think me see that unknown object on the black man, that's why me not try to inquire about it, but me never want to say that to you. I'm saying me know say head cheap already.
But how she look? She.
A little short, he kind of short and he kind of brown, you know, really. Little bit darker than me.
I hear dread up like black up.
Yes. And she kind of thick, a little body teen, I'm about to train now. He knows you. I'm saying me pass him with my bag. Full of goods, you know. He wants to like he want to pull my bag. I feel shake him up. But the truth is that I forget cheap, I feel just laugh it up. I say, oh, let's go and what am I doing that day? I remember saying I have a thing for me here and I'm just wheel off and but then again remember I said that crime scene on the ends.
You understand?
But the truth I know is at the end of the day you try bring same as in I think. I don't want to tell her that now if you get upset against her that I'm not try find out what is what, but right now you're going too far. Can you tell me say goods not reach?
Yeah, goods not reach and this everything stop right now. Come I say to myself say how that fi go on? Yeah, cause you know, me have to go now digging in my pocket now if get extra. You understand me? I say and that me never depend.
You see Brads?
How did him know I find right now?
Bobby tell me say no see him now.
Bobby say no see him?
Bobby say no see him. Family let it off to him. Bobby say no see him back. You see Pinky?
And she make a link right now.
From me no see. But then again I just say me not to link up unless I say we for linking, okay? I know for we style. Yeah,
exactly, timing,
you see me?
Yeah.
You know, see that I want to need I only somebody me say about there and you. I know the unknown object. I mean I tell us when I tell me the reason the one Brads, he might tell me say no. In clean and in a damn thing. So when I tell me when they feel mad, but most of the team say your boss not link you. I say, yeah man, boss, you link him on some style. You see me? So right now, I tell you to pray nobody in a father. But right now, I have to pray them two the plus the hand-on object. I never name for you. But I dig your road. I find out to the object that day. Believe me, I find out to him.
Today, if I find out today, I'm going to talk about later on.
No, you're
about
man. We're going to make 2 calls and 2 connect.
Do it now, man.
You think I'm going to try to show you?
You better do it, because I tell us right now. You remember Blinko?
Mm-hmm.
If I wipe him out now. I know you fish them feed off him right now. Yeah, because you don't know a thing what there's somebody right now coming around me. But I really want to know excuse. And excuse me I did right now. Because money, nobody can give me an excuse they come out to money.
No, you say results.
You understand me? I say,
yourself,
so me I try to show you, say, do your thing and make sure you link. I say, bulb link you.
Man link me already because you bulb link. So you link this man when I tell me it's like a joke. Man, you know the man love friendship.
Yeah.
But them realize say man serious for me and say bad man. What say to me? You know? So right now know where yourself for.
Alright, what do you know?
Because the object they need to identify.
Yeah.
So if you go forward now. So yo, may I make a link, you know?
Do it, man. Do it.
Right.
Do it.
Oh,
yeah. I want to know how hard it is to earn money. Now, them at time if you lose it, Brads want to see.
So me not try come.
Where more I can call? More I can call?
My job, Alex.
Let me know phone.
Call the boy. From the jail and everything. Understand? Everything already. Yo, Bobby, what go on, General? Oh, you know some forward out. Oh, back again, man. Prodigal son out. Now somebody put my block. But not tell me that to check. If you want to hear what I tell me, I will check me first. You can tell me about me. I don't understand why I'm going in a jail there. You don't understand I feel like Captain Powder was in a jail there. Eh? I must lose my life in a jail there, boy. A couple of my dogs have to save me in a youth. You not even know, you know. Check me. Right now. I'm wait long in a brother. Alright. Come on, I church you, that's all. Alright. See what take place here? Eh? Say me get locked up, the boy them chat on 2 plant tree. Eh? So they are jail lock up. I left the one there shoot and the one they almost fit. I get sunburn. Jesus Christ. Oh, there's a thief, man. Yo, what one, Bobby? Where go now? Yeah. Brother, I'm 7 plant tree and trap me, 7 plant tree. But let me 3 plant tree and got jail, my brother.
You know, say that we are
What you say? Who that's all that's not born me,
I don't want to see you.
You know long you want to see me?
Yo, Max, one to the package.
Package, boy, I come and come, but you don't long me there jail youth.
I know that don't miss any.
Listen me I say. Listen me I say no. I wala uno.
Wala uno.
I wala uno. Cause we are poor on street. And things. Listen me to me chat man.
Boss, you want to see you.
Listen me I say. No me tell about boss. Cause me there jail not care nothing. Come give me bad man. You understand? Me there jail long bad man. Over. Almost 2 months. One care come give me.
I go and feel package.
Brother, me left everything I road go now.
You left everything.
Me left everything. Watch I know no. Watch I know. When time I'm going to deliver the package, you know some police here run on me. You know that?
So make your name call and
brother, me can't make no call.
Oh.
She disarm everything off of me, I must cut
no,
off my tongue, brother.
Bro, you get a right to make a phone call.
Make a phone call, when for use, make a phone call. Half a what? When for go? Full phone. I don't know me not like use people phone and make call already bad man. A boss not like answer strange call. A strange number. So what me do? Brother, me feel like you come and tell me.
So what you have to
listen me, I say no, brother.
All of that package sitting there. What you have? What you going to forget? Because right now, no, my dog, right now, your life for your family, everything in jeopardy right now.
And that you say?
Me I tell you.
Anything, you know.
Me I tell you,
I say no. Anything, cause what? Man, they are jail, and you not come and talk about package. When you remember somebody are jail, when they are make money. When you remember that, and I laugh, and I feel like a joke, bro.
So what you say? Nah, get back that.
Brother, me not say nah get it back. But you have to wait some time, bad man, until me circle back on the pack, try something bad man. Cause mix up a one, bang around a one. Some set up a one, somebody on the block, you know. We are inform or something. I try instigate something, brother. The block are run loose.
Let me ask you one question. You know say same day when you get the package, and me go let you have a slim yard, and me know when ISIS come and make me know say you have a care package on your foot.
Yeah.
So how them they running for me or she? Are you
brother,
get it running?
listen to me I say. I want you to circle in a place there, you know. And I say the good thing I know go on normal, you know. But you know if ISIS not tell you. ISIS not tell you say one look female on there, I move around the place. I feel up strap and I search bag and I search place. ISIS never tell you that. Brother, I look like you set me up to bad man.
Set you up.
What you mean? You set me up. I don't know what can turn around for me now. Like say me a bad one.
Watch out now.
Eh?
One thing I can't tell you now, my dog. Makes sense to run from today.
Dog, me not running now. Cause watch no man, eye for your eye, anything. You understand me? Just come out of prison, you know. Out of prison, jail. You have to say jail and prison are the same thing. Like same cell. You get me? But as what me I say, anything, brother. But just come out of jail. I'm not saying who no. It's a way a friend. We do things. I'm not even gonna give me bull or water, nothing like that. How can a friendship no be, bro? We're not no friend. Just want to get back on thing and go and cut on off, bro. They say they right now. We cut link, we cut ties, we cut friendship. Jail teach me. I'm good and dead.
Big up yourself, you know. Watch
The way
out
I do my friend, man. The way I do, long and short cut, you know. Remember that.
Yeah, man, I hate me to make you know.
Yeah, man. Just time of the master, man. Here, believe. Time on God. God and time. Can't believe the media just want to talk about package. Eh? Before you feel a thank God, so I come out alive, so you can sing and talk to me. But man, God tell any night pronouns. But man.
nice guys. What you look for nice guy? What you look for?
A be a ground thing, brother. Man, say my meds, me there, say meds, dog. I actually if you know you.
You don't know, say Mrs. Brads.
Hmm.
I tell them about Indy get locked up and he say no man.
Brads take man for food.
Ask him what go on
Take
for
man for
ask him what go on for package.
Hmm. What's your paper?
Him no nothing with way. Cause let me ask him for package, I'll give me a steady, stable answer, you know. I tell me say, woman, they don't have slims and yo. He might tell me what you tell him say, you know, I don't know if you have any reason, you know, me dog. I tell me say, you do good on a slims and woman go in your bag and try go in.
Wait, no man ain't getting about what you know. So wait, you ask him about the package.
And I tell
you about me.
About you.
So I some tea package, I don't know.
And I tell me say,
okay.
Like the police them take you and
Which police?
Yeah, I don't know. I tell me say one girl with slims apart with one girl with slims apart with say I be a strange face step on black and one bag of something and I be a set up business and look suspicious cause you see me?
Tell this man.
Brother.
The boy I share this is for number one. So I go to him number one, he might tell me say him not in something again. So that alone me not pray me. When I say boss no link him, I say yes, but watch out now. Me not trust a boy. Me not trust him, man.
I go tell me about now. You must make sure say we go make we get back all of it, but watch out now. We have to go avoid him because what?
Sorry. Wait. Me not understand film story. So if police take it from him, he gonna make we get it back.
Yeah.
How when we get it from the police and give it? So
is
is them is an informer to the police them or him and the new girl what the pan black what there. Plan out with think if he thief the thing. See, it's either him is a police informer or him the unknown object and Pinky plan up on thief shit. Because if I think you chat saying one carry. And when me chat saying one carry, that you along with the Andy we can buy a bike and that girl come and see what I think that not try to show us about be a style the thing, but we believe in them too much.
I don't believe in them. I don't believe in them. Remember, you know, I them pick me up, put back on my foot one at a time. Then,
but you talk you sound like you believe Brad saying God J, but I don't believe
no, I can't believe him, brother. I never tell us I believe him right now. Bossy head mad round there, dog. Right now, I be a things are going on, my friend.
Right now, so Bossy head mad and Bossy want to kill something right now. If I go kill Brad, I'm sure the Bossy will kill something.
Yeah, man, kill him.
I'm not going to on the wrong side of that.
Yeah, tell him, say, you're not going to boss. Go to which boss? You know, this is about boss and one bag of something. Him just get back the goods and then I just avoid him.
But it's fact still remain, my dog. Oh, we go get the goods if police take the goods.
Brother, right now, me there.
So you share the boy that making no money right now. So for page a boy there. Because I'm not going to stand and make Bossy Primacy Academy. Watch it.
You go to Bossy, I tell him go chat to Bossy.
No, man, I'm a prof. Yeah, I'm chat to Bossy, man, but when I chat to Bossy, I show Bossy pre-work to the unknown object. But I run a program. I just show me to get the information yet. We so far to the unknown object. Then I know if you hide and run, I just come one time. And it's a brother. Me the wait pan to pay the man. If you don't work for me, boy, so me can go to my own business. And see if you want to stand with them, stand with them. Yeah.
You know?
Right.
So you say, brother, I believe in what you say.
So you say, like on board.
Man, I look something.
You say like on board?
Yeah, man.
On board.
I don't know.
Colombia, yeah, man.
You don't know yet, dog.
No, do me that, man. Cheat me, man. Cheat me. Fine. I'm not stressed, man. I go news with them. Oh, gosh, man. I don't tell them what I told them. I put those in my still. See me? Yeah, yes. so them say, Brad, come from jail.
So brother gonna jail?
You don't believe that? I watch him tell Bulby say, him gonna make we get back the goods. But when you get back the goods, you know, dealing with it, avoid it.
We mean that deal?
Wait no man, you know, hear nothing yet. Him tell Bulby say, police take a good shot in. After something now, bossy. If police take a good shot in, but you don't get it back from police to give it.
But which police take it from you?
We don't know about that yet, but you may say, remember me tell us say, hand on object on the spot. We don't put out so little thing from that time. All the bad news now is that information reach me. So get the picture and everything, address everything, they can't escape. Alright, now I feel like say.
Yo, I want to understand how I'm going.
Yo, object and Brad's plan out. And Freddy remember saying no, from when Pinky the boss say one car.
So if it's all of this a Pinky set up it.
I'm going to say my lord if he say cheer them because this unknown object that feel up my back like say Pinky that tell him something about my transaction. Because we're say interested in my bag like first place. You don't know you don't know me. Pinky, me not say Pinky from that. When you first see her, Brad just tell me say I come from jail, but what really catch my attention for if you say police take it goods, or you go
Get it back.
Figure me. Tell me now, man.
I want if they know what I deal with. I want if they know who I deal with, brother.
If you want me to take care of business here, I fix things.
Nah, man, me deal with the man. Yo, I'm a man like this, and I'm like them people. I won't give me excuse.
I joke thing, what me tell you, a result to deal with.
Well, that me I say, man.
But me tell you, we soon get the result of who that I know.
Listen, man. Right
now.
now.
You can't escape, you know. Remember, a couple of people in the road know him as Pinky cousin. Couple somebody will say, yes, Pinky cousin come back then from where they have some style. So watch out now. You get everything, you get every information. Know yourself, father.
Well, on.
First, we come out.
You know, surprise, I have a little sister. Yeah, man, little sister. Right now, only thing me I pray right now.
Get rid of it.
No, man, I get rid of it. I want to use that as, you know what I mean?
Advantage.
Yeah.
So hold on, Conrad.
One more if you do is get her.
Bring her yourself.
Bring her yourself.
Alright, there you go. I'll get bored of it. And get that child. Fix this.
Right away, right away.
Billy.
Yeah, to me, it's just a whole monopoly game. Quick and fast!
Are you near Whitney?
Yes.
You Whitney?
Yes.
Brad's your big brother. Come here, I want to talk to you.
You what?
Come here. Oh, no, tapping eyes. Dead or alive, you move first today, you know.
Yeah.
Tapping eyes. Brad's your big brother. Well, that's your big brother.
This morning, when we go to police station.
Where you go?
We go to police station because
You say you want to lie them too. You
No.
want to lie them too.
No.
Which police station? Brad's in jail. I
Yes.
follow take man for.
No.
Oi. Come like you get piece high money. Come on, get up. Oh. Sit down.
Wrong.
What in boss? Boss, I got you.
Where's the guys that going around? You say, you know what you're doing? Eh?
Oh, you sit down.
It's so man, so man. Yo, that's a good question. See? Your face alright? Your face alright? Alright, here we go. Brads, he's not a bad person. People start on the wrong. Hey, you talk, look up on me. Me will start talk on the wrong place. See?
Boss, my chat about him of the jail today.
She.
You know about the money. You're sorry for him.
Alright, watch your ass.
She said if you kill him, you can't come and
Watch your ass. You are one, see? Me a kind of person where me not do badness and me don't like beat up woman and certain things, but me get, me I lose it because me lose $4 million, see? And your brother make me lose it. You hear me say? You see brothers come in the yard with no bag, no knapsack. You hide. You sure say yesterday? Can't yesterday. Alright, you might say now, when you're confused, when you get confused, when you talk to me straight, when you see him, the last day you see him, where you say, jail man come from? Eh? Alright, so, you may tell you which part of after that? You shame you?
Yeah, a lot of people want to talk for me and one but some but me can't do that.
Bull. Alright. Alright, so you don't see him from after that? You sure? Alright, I'm gonna make you leave my presence and you see me when you call the road and then TikTok something where you talk about your post on TikTok. Hey, look what me attack you!
look for the man.
You see if me ever hear you post on TikTok and social media about this right now, me personally, look back! Me personally I come for you. You get what I say?
Boss, you know for left on the island.
No, I'm going to left now.
But see jump there, you know, man. So cut off it and jump.
No, not today. So, if you see Brads come, tell him to call me right away.
Right now.
You get what I say? Tell him say him boss. See? You get what I say? Get up.
Go on. Find your way. It's your last. We're busy about it.
Give my encouragement.
Boss, we need to walk at this across it then, man.
Alright. So, really I'm through it. No at all. What you want going now? I know me for the money. Just wait for that phone call.
Don't tell him. Carry them hungry. We got fix things, you know.
Everything good. Me deal with the money.
Yeah, man. Curry and brown stew down, man.
That is it.
Yes, man.
So I deal with everything and start out officially.
Obviously, boss, result.
Right away.
You still get the object information, man.
No man, it's an object that I have an idea what I want. So no worry yourself. I got fix things and things are clear today. So by weekend we can say boy we back on target and everything up already. See? Right. So do your thing.
So you're going to feel bad.
No worry about I'm saying worry about that part. Respect, you do your work.
You did it.
That extra 500,000, yeah?
Yeah, that's so nice.
Alright,
Say nothing.
yeah man, right that's it, yeah.
They say I won't make it if they can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you.
Working time, me see a working time. So me I go pull up online. Me shall catch egg. I'm on the road, my G man, what one?
Disappear from when that.
I must say jail me there no father. I must say jail me there, but I come jail.
Jail me there is jail.
What you mean? Call me like up a jail, brother.
So you in a preacher jail, man. I'm on the boat to record this Saturday.
From boat. What you know? What do you get the package? You tell a bag of something go on my youth. I look at police come and stick me up, brother. I feel like I sit up go on and lose for my friend. You see me? I say.
I'm not confused.
I say.
After my gate thing, I said.
Yes, brother.
Police come and
Look after you ride up on the bike, bad man. I running for my brother. You think me dead? Me here. Stick up freeze. Me say, don't move. Put your hand on your head, boy. look around, I want a girl in America, brother. So my CIA, my detective or something.
America.
Yes.
No, nobody names that.
One shot, girl in here like a child and get serious. You don't know the girl ex? You never see her yet?
Yeah, but nobody names that.
Me I tell her what, brother. I tell her she's short and thick. And I don't call like a child.
Brown.
Yes, in brown and short. I don't know if I
Marcus,
fancy locks in having or what she having, but in having something.
Like a braids.
Yeah, brother. I say you gonna want to cut out my tongue.
But for your height.
She
And short time.
short arm. Short arm. Yeah, brother. Yeah, me really want back of things are going bad, man. You know say.
Just a pinky.
Pinky. Brother, I don't see nobody a man small me see, you know. I'm come out, you know.
Oh.
A Bulby. I be a badness Bulby I link me with. I mean, know say your boss want to see me. So I make you know say me say black up a G brother the bull on no care come give me a water. No.
But nobody knows.
And just turn the back for a man so bad man.
Man not turn the back, but no say a J brother.
So all matter why packet. We could have did it.
But if you carry there now for the package.
You know me not coming out now do them thing bad man. You know what already. Upon the work me there. Me have for us right now. So I go on. Badness not pay, you know. The street not make for me. The street not make for everybody. Probably make for you.
But you may say still, one time I hate me, they make a talk, say you can't get back your thing. You can't get them back.
Why? If I go find out somebody who link with a police girl or something, I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know nobody who link with her, I don't know no link, brother.
Oh.
You know on the street, brother. You can make program and make some link, brother, and find out what is what.
Watch his style. Marika. When you miss all familiar.
Yeah, man. Link one of your bad girl, man, and link somebody, man. I'm gonna link my sister.
See your sister know him?
Then you should have put that know him, because I don't know, you know. I don't know, but link somebody. Yeah, brother.
But for your sister, I must like me still in that. I'm saying, I feel people are too green in that.
That again. But so you know what?
Don't kill up yourself.
Do you hang the bang like up on the work, my friend?
Just want to know say you're good in a one
man,
piece, you know?
good man.
Don't stress yourself, man.
No, I
you
say,
don't fire nothing.
but you know me a loyal G, you know, bad man. And
right.
Me no switch and me no turn, you know. Understand?
But they say,
Loyal. Yeah, Batman.
CIA.
CIA running. So me I wonder if somebody sit up here, what? Sitting dog.
That means that.
Me I try put 1 and 1 to 2 or me no see. Who the make a call?
I say, I'm link if you boss.
Make a call.
Zane.
Yeah, man.
I say, I'm
Say
keep
call
your
to
eye
air.
open. I hear a
Yeah,
call.
man,
CIA, the fire.
Me I tell you, I will world.
They must see and they must know bosses will forget.
What the boss watching it too, you know.
You're right.
Probably somebody on the block are loose, you know.
Yeah, because what you think I'm going to get grimy that I'm glad I see you still. I'm not feeling no negative energy at first.
You know that you're one family, no brother.
You're right.
You understand? Alright, with Jake. You see if watch your head back out there, you know.
God, Marika. What's up? Pinky sister, cousin here, man. You have to find out that you don't go on that. Hello, bossy. Marika, object, you know, my friend. You know, object there. Brother, I know, see them running in Panama and take your goods. Just the brother, I got that a good thing. I don't carry thing, my friend, come and lick him down from far. You know? But yeah, man, say that keep your eye open, come here, say I CIA, you know. And if they grab brads, them, and if them, you link Pinky, child link Pinky, because I hear from them, if them have Pinky and Pinky give them information, brother. But you know, I call link up. You see, pray.
In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. You are who you are, appreciate it.
What is it song? What do you? Why you look like that?
It's the Bible. Bible always talk about a man's heart and the kind of trust one man put in a woman determines the strength of his character, right? A person's character is very important in this lifetime. Who you are, what you are about, and all these things. So it can never be a situation where a person's character or a true identity I'm say true identity can define the next person based on, you know. Long and short is the truth will always set you free. Now, enough being said about that. You know you a long time, don't it?
Yeah, long time.
You know me long time, don't it?
Yeah, long time.
What have I done to you? What you feel like I deserve all of this?
Deserve what? What you talking about?
No, you have to understand, say a long time in the street. And when in the streets now, my time, when day turn into night, you know something wrong.
Alright, public. Come to me straightforward. Like, me can't bother with the go around and come out thing. Like, you have me confused right now. Like, me not even know
Alright,
what's
stick a
going
pin.
on.
Let's
We just meet about 2 hours ago. What problem?
let's dissect this conversation. What you just said. You can't take it, go round, come round. Me can't take it neither. And me feel like my heart allow me to take it, go round, come round. See? Be honest to me. Are you a police?
Where you get that from?
Where I get that from?
Why you just ask me that question?
Alright, let's go around again. Since you want me to go around in a circle. You see? Things that are hidden I always reveal if you pay attention. It's like, you remember we used to play hide and seek when we were younger? And we count and we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Remember that statement there?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you doing this to me? You out of all the person then.
Probably.
Stop laughing. It's not laughing matter now. You out of all the person them wanna actually trust. You know, so them know what them do, cause 4 months ago, they getting some problem with the law. And from this me feel like them have a trace of thinking say me run certain operation and me end up spend off some money, pay off for me to pay and get clear. No, them send you. Them send you. You're smiling. Is that it?
Like,
them send you. Them send you to forward and destroy me. See, I'm going to be honest with me right now. Me I give you one last chance. Tell me, Marika, are you a police?
Fine. I am Detective Spence.
Detective Spence. You see, when we're
I'm
talking
an undercover police.
undercover thing. Camera down.
Well,
Camera down.
come on. Middle eye. Miss, like, come on, Miss, sorry, but I really
You see you call me Kemar? That is not my street name. Because you know me for me. And you want to come in my life now and break down my organization because of what? Because I want a little tap on the shoulder, I want a little award, I want a little something say you have done a good job. Eh? You know why I'm in a killer right now? You know why I'm in a killer right now? And because me I want a little something in my heart feel. That's the reason why I'm gonna do things right now. Yes, this a blood. This a blood.
No.
Yeah, me know you know because you're what? You're a detective and this is all what you do, investigate. And you come around me. You come around me, Pinky, to get towards me. And all of this, you're right.
Listen.
You tell me this, you come here for me. You've been telling me. You always leave a little clue. A little thing. For a person, if they're smart enough, then can't catch on. You tell me 2 times, say, yes, you're here for me. And me think say I went for love.
No, but me
Step away. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't do that.
Tomorrow, I never for true, but
Don't call me tomorrow.
when this,
Don't call me
when
tomorrow.
this
For
happen,
you,
me never have no choice. I'm really sorry.
you never no choice.
I'm really sorry about the whole situation. I'm sorry. But it's just my job.
Take care of yourself. Feel safety. Come here, one gun point for you right there, right now. See me empty?
Why would I
Because
do
I know your skill. I know your skill. I know you in a one. You know, like, you have to be the top detective for them send it towards me. Do not touch me. Do not feel like you can step out. Make them know say if you touch me, squeeze the trigger.
They can't do that. I know you love me. Look for me. Hey, look here, yourself. I know you love me. I know you not make them do that to me. But me never want to do this. Of course, me get forced. I never have no choice because I'm a closest person to you to do this to me.
You ever wire upon you?
No, me don't
Leg
wear
on my
red
shirt.
wire.
Leg on my shirt. And you say after this moment,
But me sorry.
you see the face, I hear the voice, and know say a bulb represent for things we hide. And nobody go watch it, because our night bad, mad, and sick bam of them. Watch out, man. Just run go over there, no people. Because you know what things said. Like, share, and comment.
Right.
Never likes.
You don't know, say I see artists represent you. And Bulby don't tell you things we hide. Part G. So check it. And if you not subscribe yet, subscribe now.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
I'm okay, look, sir.
Where I say? Eh?
Oh, so me there one sir. Come
Where I say? Where say?
Alright, me come for tell us me I go go car when me come for deal with them.
Listen. Right now, you could have go and feel like you see right now they lock up my boss. You understand?
Where your boss?
What you mean, what my boss? They lock up my boss, girl. You don't know my boss. Eh? To how you know for everybody busy, you don't know my boss. You don't know Rasta. Yeah. So you see, you know, I just say if the public. Me don't know what me they lock him up, you know. But what me I get to understand is that like a some setup go on. Some, you understand? Some setup, somebody set up him. And me not like that. Me not like that at all. Me not like that. Eh? When my boss get locked up now, and me sit down here so. Me just sit down here so. Who will pay me?
You get a 9 to 5.
Who will pay
You
me?
get a government work.
How me belly all full?
Me just
How me belly all full? Get which 9 to 5 work?
I go get a government work.
Get which government work? So what my boss I do no government work? Eh?
That's a government work.
I tell you something. You see, right now, my head very, very steamy right now. So you see where you are come. You don't make no sense right now what you are saying now. You don't really make no sense
I'm
right
not
now.
gonna say true, you have a family, you're just there, so
What you mean by that? What you do to make me alright? Eh? What you do to make me alright?
I think you go here.
Go on, nobody not stop you. Oh,
Nerves.
I'm done for my nerves.
Cause
Eh?
my grandma always say, what sweet you? Go sour you.
See the girl sour you, see the girl sour. No, me can't sour me. No, me can't sour me, I miss sour that. Oh. Who is that? Hello? Hello? Yes, this is Pinky. Eh? I must carry money for bail him. Okay, alright. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay.
I want money.
Where say I do? Cause
Me I go where so where say where you go?
yeah, me I go down at station. Cause they say they want money for bail him. So me have to go down at station right now. So you can't take your leave.
Yes, Pinky. As me say, just be careful. I know what you do.
You feel be careful.
I
I
watch
know
your
what you do. Now you watch for your back. Me ever watch my back? You feel watch for your back. Oh.
But Pinky, I'm not serious now. What hurt you? Me and your cousin, we are friends, we are sister. We have a bond. We grow together. I true me go do what me have to do. I know me come back. But since me come back, Pinky, there's a lot of wrong things you do. Which me know say our lifestyle no true.
Lot of wrong things like what? What you talk about?
I don't understand.
Eh?
Pinky, me I understand.
What you come off for?
When me I come after
Yes.
is, see your boss gone to jail, right? And you there so now and you stress out you want money.
Okay.
What me I say is that you need to let him go.
Okay.
And go get a 9 to 5. Because if you let him go get a 9 to 5, you don't have nobody to depend
How me
on.
feel like how you set up my boss so?
What the hell I just say?
What the hell? What you mean by what the hell? What you ball out? What the hell I just say? How me feel like you set up my boss so?
No, why would I set up public? Me love public.
Huh?
You know me love public. From back then, and you know see I'm a man. So why would I set him up?
For you come and just move one way so and you're just too inquisitive. Look how you're inquisitive of yourself. You see, right now enough. Me have to go good on they go bail my boss. You know what me have to go do right now? Me have to go out they go look some money. Eh? You can't help him. You love him, you can't help him. Help him now, no like how you love him. Help him.
I help him.
So help him now.
I help him.
Where help him do? Come like I must see help him, put him down there. Come like I must see that
but
you do.
I don't have to know a road run one choose from.
Come like I must see help him, put him down there. Come, you know, not make one sense right now. Right now, me want money. Everything what you have to do in this lifetime is money. Right.
I know Pinky. Choose a path right where you want because we choose the road of no return.
And go choose the path where right for you because we choose the road when I returning for you. Alright, and me don't talk. You see, when people like a uno enough up on yourself, now people business are not nosy. Eh?
Let me tell you something. You see me, as a little cousin, can't say me never want you.
Can't say you never want me. You just talk
Me
us
want
and
you.
talk about 111.
And that's
111.
Me I put in the right
Oh.
part and that's it. Because you never have to do yourself. You never have to
Me
do
never have
yourself.
there so. You never there for there so.
You never have
Oh.
to do yourself, Pinky.
I sorry, me I'll make you come here too.
Yes, sir.
That
Remember,
me
say
make
this is
you
a
know.
family house.
I don't
And you
I
never have no choice
I
if
don't
me did want
business.
come. Me never have to ask you for
I
your
don't
son, and me coulda
business.
just pop up yourself.
Why you could pop up so come would just what I let them would change. You could come in and I must
I
kick
like
you
that,
kick off
sir.
the door.
But that's
I'm-
an easy one to
I
achieve
must
for
kick
you.
you and kick off the door.
That's an easy one
Girl,
to
go on,
achieve
come in
for
a
you.
trust her right now. Right now, me not trust her. Go on if you are go
You
on.
don't trust me?
Go on.
And me have to trust.
You say you come down here.
Because you sit down here so I chat right now.
You say
You
you
never have to
come.
do your side
You say
chat.
you come down here so. And you work where you do it done. Go on by your business. Because any work where you come down here upon and it done. As payment is where you say it done. Just know say you not done fully. Go on where they go, mama.
This is something.
Me
Let
not
me tell you
talking.
something. You see work when me do, and me tell you say it done. You know say not done for you. That's
where
why me
you
have
go,
to lift
mama?
up for you, so.
You
can't
better
steer
do. You
yourself.
better do and watch your back. Because the thing what you do must come to light. So you better watch for your back.
So you don't know anything you do come to
Oh.
light. It come to light already, but
It come to,
for you.
where just say a while ago?
No, later. Have a wonderful
Where just say a while ago? Eh? Oh, where I go? Coming up to Safra morning. Oh.
Yo! What one? Hey, look first, chest.
There's no more time money that I know me can't hear from boss. I want bag of you. Right now, it's stress out to show you.
Which boss here, ta? Fear boss.
Then I'm in fear talk.
See when you are going?
Hold on.
Yeah. FBI come for fear boss. You don't must see fear boss for right now.
What I tell?
Look for me good. Me have on a hat.
Call him, I call him.
Me not capping. Alright, call. Me sit down.
No, no, me I left my phone.
What you know?
Me
Me a chat me tell.
I left my phone.
Me a chat me tell.
Yes, the boss, you know.
FBI come for alright, this when they see the unknown object, eh?
Mm-hmm.
If you understand, say, the informant.
That
The unknown object will be what boss in a be.
a pinky cousin.
Alright. So here I go on now. Remember say, you know, boss in a supply a portion of people, you know. Like man, they are jail now. Them in a no supplier. Both of them not sure what they are. Kind of gonna see I know. Fall, wait when you feel jack back at you now. You understand? But it's about to watch a go
So
and
me so come get to the point, my friend. Where you want to talk? We are really come as a
Oh.
Because I know saying you just pull up down here saying
No, but me hear some news, me have to come check you there. I don't know what. Because I see you look stressed, you see I want some food. But me tell you so I can squeeze in for the thing, you know, I can make a $2 million a month. You know, then we make a nice piece
you
of
know what
food.
you tell me say I'm make a treat.
It take too long to decide that. I make me have to do too much work, you know, brother. I don't know.
Granny say, when you younger, my granny normally say you eat because you live longer still on with so I tell the man. If me can't do better, me have to work with you can't do for me till.
So me know you're wise, catch you know. Remember, you know. You have your own boat, you know. And if you have to wise, I know, so the food drop in your hand. You try line up a boat, because it's a fleet you want, you know. One boat can do it. 2 or 3 can do it within a fleet, you know. But as you try to tell us, say, why? Market open. So you're going. Me, I will just make it connect them. So we can want the business go and run back as usual. Case it just like how you know here say boss the jail. Enough people don't know it, you know. So you have to just hold the fort and know such a know. You that represent, me that represent. But this time the money comes straight to me. I know you're from the boy from Pink Can, though.
No, so you not from none of them. None of them.
Brad's come like him soft out and can't
Brads
take
come
pressure.
like when Brads get locked up, my Brads like he turn madman, you think like.
You see what going
Yeah,
on?
dog, you man
Like,
move
chest
on
out.
way, you.
Jaja you. And that bird you go listen come up to and if I that's him I go on to. Jaja. But watch out now. You see, me don't know how much boss used to deal with. Me don't have a percentage either because I say me have books them. So you don't know if I go respond to western side, respond to eastern side. We don't know if you cook, we don't know if everything. So now, what we go on some more soldier.
So I try to tell him, I say, one more soldier, you have money to pay a soldier. Because right now for me 2 million not touch, you know, my dog. I tell a brother, you know.
You know what you said about that, man. You know what you said about that, man. Operation time now. Bigger match I show them. You not gonna be no, you not gonna be a roadside again. To me tell you, you need some soldier. Cause you know, so you alone can supply them 30 man there on this by yourself up and down every day. You're gonna need 2 soldiers here for. They say that you have to spend money for make money. Make you feel like I'm gonna take over the business now. You never want to spend no money, brother. If you not spend the right money, that means you not find out long time. So that the category there was a mole. But you not spend the right cash. How me find out, how me get the information. I said police boy was sending girl call spy pan the man, I go give piece of food and he run everything. Your school used to go everything. And if boy so you know do that from morning. Everybody that see her, they tell me say brother you have to spend money to make money. Or make a feel like I can't bother give the children. Cause I have to go down and my 5 go spend some if my 5 shanto for your 3 go shanto, what you feel like? Eh? So you got business, what you say? 2 more chip, you can start making 5.
Nah man, pre that still. Watch out now.
Just keep your phone active.
No man, I go down the road.
All the stash run down.
Yeah dog.
Something reading and writing, my dog.
Shut up. I go down the road, yeah.
Boy. Go on and follow me, dog. Yeah man, if you don't have the cash in hand, man, a direct deposit, you know, 2 million a month, you know, man. Yeah man. Boy, boss, you know, I got jail still, but can't waste no time. I'm on the problem, mind.
Boss, you get knocked up. Yo, bossy. I ring your phone, but I not get to it or something. So I just say I go left a message for your phone. Anytime you go near your phone or so you just link me. It's like, yeah, but me I hear a little something, man. Me say you get locked up, my friend. And I be a things me I hear. Remember say, you know, if people in a treat, the people in a treat want food and me want food too, you know, and be things are going on right now. I call me, say me I call you, but me not get to you. You see me? Say more know what really are going on. Yeah, me really want to know what really are going on, cause what you know? Right now, me youth they hungry, you know. Me hungry right now, you know, me up on the street, you know, stress out in the boss right now. But me know what I go on. That's why, man, as I get this a little message, you link me back. Right away, no hitching me bossy. Yeah, cause be things are going right now and boy, me just hear say, boy, me don't even know. Bossy, give me a link. Me know if I real pre, if you not link me back, so you get locked up. You see me? As me tell you before, I be a riot go on. The dog they hungry, dog they say they want their money. You see me? In a real life. So what you know? When I get the message, I'll link me back right away. Yeah.
just there normal. What you are doing?
And then I'm just come back down, you know, and everything. So you want work?
What good man? How long are you there for?
Aye. About 1 month and but I could call link it so I come down upon a mission. You know, similar really. Go places unless a mission with the fan. Even though I have some bad and go, you understand?
I get all your total man. So what kind of mission that's?
You know, say, remember my ex? Public. I him me come from.
Public?
Me get him.
What do you mean I get him?
What do you mean by me get him? Me carry me in.
You lock him up?
Yeah, me come down here like me did the investigation and me all my cousin, all Pinky, my cousin. They in it too, you know.
So make you lock up public?
Too. That me not like that out there. What do you mean what me like a public? You know, so you know what kind of work public I do?
No, not really.
You know what kind of work you do, David. Hey, David, don't play with me, no,
That's
David.
cool, man. So, but you have to lock him up.
What do you mean me have to lock him up?
So you and him chat again? Or you not like, you do something make you not like him?
You know, do nothing. It's just that more I get higher in my work, you know. Me have to put my work first. Or else my life depend on the line for this. You understand?
I understand what you say totally, you know,
But me, you see you, me not like how you move still, you know.
No, man, no.
You move like a corrupt. I remember say you work this.
No, man, of course. I job in and boss, I will take it out, you know. Protect your citizens, them.
You take it over, protect your citizens, but I not move like you want to
I want to
protect
make
your
you see so.
citizens.
Me just say because you know you could have give him some leniency. Remember say the law is not by letter, you know. Sometimes you can work around it.
Let me tell you something. 5 years now, been half of public. I'm come down here 1.5 months and catch that man. And the reason why then they put me on the case, because me and closest person then realize I can get towards him. Because not TV people them running not so close with him like me. You understand? So the easy 1, 2, 3 if you catch you.
Well, I understand what you say still. But enough for public. Public so in the jail.
Yeah, but I feel like he go come out soon because they will need more information. They not fully get everything so they can just lock him up. So, but him out come out.
Anything can happen, go happen. You don't worry about it.
But me have to go stay up and go because knowing him and see him roll, know so that boy I go want to come out from me now. I have to take back.
My cousin just stay safe, you know.
Yeah, man.
So they are the right, so they.
Just make up yourself and make sure you say take your work serious.
Of course.
Because this is a work, yeah. A good work and a government work. Remember, say if you lose your job and when pension come, you know no pension again. Stay in your job.
Believe
Stay
me.
focused.
Alright.
Aye.
Lock up public.
David, dad. Oh, there, man. How you got?
Oh, you bad, man.
You alone up on the block?
You know who else there?
We have to check, you know, man. Come and say, oh, you alone and take, you know, man. Hey, we just see what come check in at that catch, you know. You don't know what going for your boss, you don't?
Yo, that's not my business, you know, bad man. That's not my business. Welcome to my food.
I remember I try to come show man, somebody said this, they get mashed up, you know, food not leave. Me not get no food in the day.
Bad man, where you try to tell me, sir, bro? Where you try to tell me? So all of them the money there, you tell me, say that gone in jail.
John, you this is who you feel look on it, so don't.
Look for what's up. I don't care about look on it. What my piece of food there?
Let me not get no food neither, but me not, but me try to show you some line where you try to run up a next piece of mission right now, my dog.
Bro, you know you about no mission, bad man. Bad man, now you about no mission, no bad man.
Remember say, we need for your link in a bad man. Remember say, you get the thing cross on the next side, no bro. I say, you do the things, my friend. I said to her, try to set the thing right, so money can make, brother. The thing now mash up so again, brother. That's why I just trust me, brother.
Bad man, I want film piece of food, that me I declare. When film piece of food, you come and I can't tell me about that. The business about that. Which
Bad
time
man.
you tell me about?
Bad man, you say you know, bad man say we are responsive thing now, bad man. I'm telling you, I said no, Dan, but watching them, man, I one other see him, my father, they tell me, say general so come back around to another time.
No, you know I hear about no general. You know I hear about no general. My money me I defend. Where I tell me about a general for?
I mean, I have no money figure right now, daddy, but I can't give you, sit no still. You know?
What I take you and give me?
That's what them man. That's what them man. That I forget, man. I say I got man. Monkey man, you go man. That's what I got. Nothing like that. So you got now?
Agree. You look so.
Oh, my look.
Yeah, fresh so.
Fred, right now, I think and I wonder how I go manage all of my money I make right now, my friend. Wonder when I go put it.
So we can go link TV.
TV.
Mm.
Oh.
But say my man we always collect certain things organize up
Boy, I know say TV gone on a flight though, my friend.
Mm.
So 1 way trip, no return. You know?
So that's so and so.
I know say that I'm gonna link the man there for cash him such a now. A we responsive thing and all so money I want in clean food now daddy. I don't know say daddy man on there bad me tell me say oh you not take no talk of us money my deal it and so and style brother. Such a long story short, I know say man rush me around there my friend. So I have to see my fan pop off for the manners. Yeah man, so right now you go to sue you about him man. You go to find him and pull up blood around the right now. You don't know. I true man rate as me G to dog man dog should even know you. But right now, a different ball game. I make sure I'm not flip. So I slip. So some of them, me even wait till they step, I go push down some of them. You know? Believe them father. I grab me things, so I say, 1 million a month.
Anything you say about?
Alright, me like that.
Yes, man.
So hear me say now. Just keep your eye open. Right now more so run for G. We'll connect.
I don't think about 1 million a month. If I'm to the time that in the boss here come out, man, want to see a man have a razor with it. They already see me go and hear foolishness.
It's a calm phone now, sir. Oh. I go now, my dog. There, man, everything good with you? Yeah, dog. Yeah, man, you just say your boss there put you in jail. Oh. What you say? Yeah, man, me know say, that a pinky cousin chat, Marika. Yeah, man, me know say, man, me never find out that, man. What you say? Davidan. What you say? Davidan cousin that too. Watch me not really busy about who are cousin, I'm buying a daddy. A new man in charge right now, my friend. You see me I tell you, boy, see they are jail now. Right now, me they make sure say me set all your link them right now, catch you now. And me I run things right now. And boy, say they must come back around right now. And if me have to pull a string to make sure you say stay when you get daddy. What I'm telling man, you know amount of millions run across the sins. You like a few days in their jail. For sure me say why even I have the whole like glory. Don't worry yourself, me say man. You make me understand, yes, I understand, I don't trust them. But remember, David and a fool boy. Because David and me just say me I go link right now. To make sure say him the on full side. I'm say him, I'm say them the man they respond to your route, you know. If them the man they say about to go through, nothing can tap in. If he say if it tap, boy, God alone can help you. And you know these things. Alright. But here I say still, big up yourself still in general. I respect for you. You see me, I respect for it because if me never know, you da make me know, alright? So you know you're on the good side. Right. So just keep your eye open. Because any little thing I can do for you, I'll do it. So I don't tell you. We are on the town now. Believe me, man. Alright. That's it, damn. I have to watch it to them. No, man, I'll give him a nice offer. Yeah, man. Can't trust them still, but you know what? No man is an island. That's it, dad. Oh, I want to tell them that. That's a four. Can you go down?
That's it.
You know, man, I like give thanks to the thing that make reach over there, you know, because I make your business run kind of smooth, you know.
Oh, gosh, man, I'm normal free, man. And it's not that.
I must go and keep the road open, you know. And the little traffic, you just make you know from ahead of time. You see, it's like, I must say, that man, they are jail, you know, that. I don't know, say food have still run, because all the more they for feed down.
Yeah, man.
So, you know, so we still have to keep busy, so.
I don't know, man.
So
when that man on the road, a couple million, well, me and collect 1, 2 or 3. And all that all I mash up my little program and sitting dog.
2 or 3?
Something a lot
Million.
more. Millions, bro. Millions.
A month time.
Millions with a Z, not a S. Millions.
God.
Couple of them, man.
No bad man. Because one time I say that I'm supposed to owe you to another time to do.
mean, man.
So you are going to see. Because I tell you, I respect what you do for what you do. Because it save me too. You see me? Believe, because if you feel like information you give it that, you know, so I'm going to go there cell block with him down, they said, yeah, but you know, I'm going to try to clear up the debt with them. I tell you, I'm going to clear up to one time, you know. Because we didn't get for my food yet. So when this thing I run through, first I tell us, make it go through right. Your food is sure. You dig my try sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. So that's best side there right now. Yeah, man, just keep feeling because keep him in one place there.
Oh, man, he's good, man.
Yeah, dog.
My cousin loves to work, you know, but he look like he loves work more than himself as far as I can see.
You know, if you understand, so that's why I even want to try to tell us if you say nothing to you, because I don't want to go mash at your business.
A normal procedure, man. We are getting the job done.
Yeah, man, catch you now. And money we saying?
Happy.
And money we saying?
Bro.
Alright, we say millions with that what?
Said,
Alright.
You said before I get the piece of link with public. The moment I bills me off up here, bro, when I collect my check from government, I'm on time. Then I realize, say, oh gosh, you see, if I'm sick, you know, I can't go to a doctor. It's like hand to mouth, bro. You see me, so right now, this a piece of bread that changed for my life too. So I don't have to jump out, doctor.
But you know, I tell us, I think work you right and proper way. A piece more food that we get, daddy. 1 pay, man. Everything all good, man. Just make sure you say that I get time if you get them, I sell back. That's the code, man.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your
Can't see a friend. What's up?
I know.
My friend.
Bossy, me go bail, you know.
Who?
Bossy.
Where is he going to be? Bail him?
I go bail Bossy, but here we go on. The company will look so money to do it because you know what things that already. Bossy are there. There are no money. Understand? So I'm going to for company will know. And guess what, you know? After my cousin just left here a while ago.
Which cousin?
The same girl where you see him, man.
So the girl still there?
Eh?
You still about the place, huh?
Yeah. Why me? Why?
I'm saying get a police.
What?
She don't say make boss there jail.
My cousin make my bossy there jail.
America or America. What am I? Maria, she not call it America.
My cousin make bossy there. No man, what you saying? Come here. You know see, I lay the tell.
You sure still about it? I'm not trusting you. I mean, them big old CIA, when it comes to CIA or CBR, like that, some see so.
So you say, and the little dirty girl lock up bossy.
I'm kidding, I'm hungry.
Eh?
And you think about cousin Ross.
Yo, you know, so just I mean, never trust the girl, you know, me never trust him, you know. So to me say, the girl there in a house and sitting and really lock up bossy.
No,
Me like she come to come stay with me and really lock up bossy.
Oh.
Eh?
She not come like so make you feel like you come and come tell me that a bossy they get information from you and that time. I say you see you I can't. You can see one point. Come and say still. How much money you do want?
Be a bossy. Why? You say I want change that 1,000, you know. Changing that 1,000. I don't know if first part me go find on Monday. And I even more, you know, but you just put it to this so.
But you may say man, see, you push your brain. Me cannot deal that. Me go deal that, but in the first, me go be a boss if you. You come like you're stressed out.
You be a bossy?
You be a boss if you, man. I push your brain.
Because I'm not telling no lie, and one time I did pre-say, I go in and I look money when I see if you buy one car. Now come on one car now. Yeah,
I talk about a car, daddy.
Yeah. Me have 1 million already, but one more million for you understand? And it come like do if you go in it a while ago.
What's your style?
Because you know so many you go in it. Eh?
Where's the basket, bro?
Nobody don't know. And me first call and say, you have to carry some money come to bail him.
Oh.
You understand?
Oh, the money they want it, and if you want to reach us, you can't bail him.
No.
Watch it, man. Yes, what you start saying? For me, I see one about that, but you know, more help her as my sister. More help me to get the cash, then. So
put the next million money.
More send it. Just make it get the bank account. More send the money.
Say God is good.
You just buy a car and live up.
Yeah, but I want to deal with bossy and all.
I tell you more deal boss, man, about that, man. I'm telling you, man. I want you to man pure, man.
You say we say all about since last year, what?
From boss there, jail, there's nothing like said, the business still around. Nobody now quarrel, because you know, we take up everything in our hand, but we can't find out what we pray over there. Because you feel like you and this girl that work, because you find your cousin, and you're missing, when you say, you and this girl that work, you know. I'm missing up, you know. When I tell you, I'm glad I see you, my sister. I come like you just a find out say my big old police stuff. But I say about boss, I take care of boss. I say, man, just relax your brain. Make you get a piece of cheese. You go get the car, man, and just and watch him and go spend 1 2 months. Rest the brain.
So maybe you're there, so sitting like, yeah, say. Where you say about side out? Where do you say?
No, I make you know, say, man, everything still a go and said, every collection of make a chop off so things still a funnel down.
So what you do with bossy? Oh, you say not gonna do with it now? I know, you know, you're not gonna do with it now.
No, so I say I'm gonna send $1 million first. And I'm gonna run to my money and go do it bossy. You like me to try to share about me? I am just use the money to be a bossy and just wait.
No,
So I just give $1 million, man. And then you make
a
money
to be bossy.
I'm gonna try to tell you guys go get bike and
see me I tell you,
breathe the brain.
It's come like me really have to live up on the place of you know, cause as according to what my cousin say. Cousin, why? Come like everything in talk, you come to like.
You come like you tell you some more cousin say.
What you say? I say you deal with bossy.
I said to you in the house your cousin come ready with SWAT team.
Alright, man, go back in. Nobody can read me with SWAT team.
Yeah man, you want to say some deal boss man. You know, text me account.
Alright.
You see me line 4. Someone just give me one next 5. Alright. 5 more days more time.
No. If you got to. You got to tell us it. You got to tell us it. Remember the 200,000 you won. You borrow from me the time there.
You want it?
And you can put it on the 1 million.
And you about the rank thing. You about the rank
No,
thing.
I'm just tell us you can put it
You
on
about
the
the
1
rank.
million. You understand?
Yo, God, I'm going to give you 3. So I'm going to give you 1.3.
Alright.
Then,
Yeah.
you just drink a bottle of Hennessy for me, yeah?
Alright.
Right. Alright. So, what you say? You not come out with it.
Marika. Marika. Me up a yard. Come now. Yeah, come now. Girl, just come now.
Pinky. Where's
Come on. Sit down there, sir.
Someone put on
No, I'm not a fact. Don't listen. Don't listen.
What problem? What happened?
Marika. Marika.
Me and hear me not this Pinky. Wow, you know just one minute to your house, so no go call me back and I'm married now.
I can't believe, say. You're number 13.
What is
I
that?
can't believe, say you're police. Marika,
Who tell her that?
I can't believe, say you're police. I'm having a horse. You couldn't kill me, no? You couldn't kill me. You're police. Jesus, please. Marika is so wicked. Me and you grew up, you know, and this is how you stay from a longer time. Let me tell you how you stay. You always like you want in a competition, you may go like a better me. I saw you treat me like a better me.
You talk like a bad man.
Me not talking on my bad mind, but me just show you how you stay. So now you come down and so now you lock up my boss. You lock up my boss. So what you think you do? You stop me food right there, sir. You stop me food there, sir.
That's why
That's
you...
for sure. You say you. There's a wicked Marika. God don't see you. God don't see you, Marika.
God don't send you. You see, it's type of mindset where you have and the type of person you be. You feel like me always. Wow, you feel like me go like me better than me. Not go like me better than you think. It's just the type of person I am and the type of woman me want to do. You like bad
Hey!
No,
come
me
in,
not like that, you know. You don't know what say me love. But alright, everything can be taken. Yes, I'm not a police. Well, I am detective. I am a detective.
Jesus, you see me I tell her. You see me I tell her, Father God, you see her. No.
As an undercover, to catch your boss and catch all who morning. But Pinky, because me love you as a cousin.
Love who?
Me not send you to jail because you're supposed to be
Love
a
what's which
jail,
cousin?
you know.
Try to them here is nothing.
That's
Me and you
okay
are
by
not
me.
Me and
That's
no
fine.
cousin. I mean, I want your love. Because you could have never loved me. And come take down my boss so you give me money and I make sure say me alright. You know how me eat? From the tree, you know me go, you know me eat. You know how me,
Well,
you
that
know
not
what for
nothing
me?
to do with me.
You ever said me want change it? Dirty police guy ever said me want change it?
You see,
Dirty
you don't call me
detective.
dirty detective. You're a dirty skettle.
You're lucky.
Because that's the life
Dirty
you want.
detective, girl, you come down here now. Fi
That's
come,
for
fi
sure.
come.
So me have class,
So-
and me have ambition, but you don't have none
So
of
all
that.
you want fi compete with me. So you want to compete with me now, dirty police girl. You see what you do? You see what you do? You take on my boss and you come mash up my organization. You see you? You see you?
Me want
Can I go see
compete
you?
with
See you?
you? Me want compete with you, Pinky?
You? What you mean? Because you never compete with me from a longer time, you know. You know, just go like a better mean. You bad mind me under style. You bad mind me under style. Cause you see what you do now? Eh? You see what you do now? Take with my blessings for me. Me look fool me I make. Eh?
Me bad mind you understand.
You know you have me.
Why more? No, but you have for me bad mind.
Eh?
Remember you're still in a family.
The bone from my body, girl. The bad mind me for. The look of family house. The bad mind me for.
Me have a
Where
job.
bad mind me for?
Me have everything when me want. So why would I bad
You have
mind
everything
somebody
what you
like
want?
you when I have nothing?
Everything you
You
want.
have to depend on somebody.
Eh? You
Girl,
know-
I work my money.
You know what I'm to you?
You don't.
You talk about you have this. You know what I'm to you? Eh? You bet you they are thief. Cause me not trust not my name police and me not
I
like
don't
not my
care.
name police.
I don't care. It's my job.
And that me dey make you know you come here so I walk and turn your back. You turn your back around there so I feel like you protect. Oh,
I know,
Why?
I know I'm protected because
You feel like you're protected.
none of you look a fool boy them where you come go on like them bad or whatever. None of them can do me nothing. All when me eye close.
girl,
And me face
you see
set
a 3 year ago.
None of them can do me
A
nothing.
3 year
And
ago.
me catch your boss with
3
ease.
3 year out of my life
From
forever.
the first
Go
day
on,
me come here, me
go
could
on,
have
where
whole
they
of boss,
go?
and me know whole of boss. I mean know enough things about you and all of them. I mean, I bring in a station, Pinky. Because guess what, more you feel alright. But you not see that. You're pre-corrupt because you're bad mind and you're jealous. That's you. And you not look on it say me I protect you. You look on it say me bad mind you. For what?
You don't
You're
just know.
idiot.
The
You
only
don't have
thing
no
me
sense.
care about is money. You don't need money. Lift up for right. That's just gonna tell me about bad mind. And money me care about. And you
Let
no
me get a
money.
deal.
Oh.
Let me get a deal.
Which deal?
Work with me.
Which what? We must be mad. You come. Girl, if you know when you better go on and go here. But work with you for what? What you say to me? Work with you for what?
Miss Scott.
I come you want to go right now, you know.
You know, say your name is at the station. And one phone call me make. You can make a lift up for you so you see back me like that.
Watch
So
him, I
decide
go
your
like him
mind.
bad. Watch him. Watch him now, I go like him bad. But one phone call, he make a me have to lift up yourself. Watch him. Watch him, I go like him bad. Watch him. Make sure you left back for you, so you don't call me phone, you know. No call me, no talk me, no why. As far today, me don't know you and you don't know me.
Yes, sir. I can show you.
Oh.
I can send you a location of Pinky. You ready for it? Alright, I'm going to send up on WhatsApp. Yeah, in the next 5 minutes. If she not do what I say. Alright. Decide your mind.
Alright. What else am I do?
Fine. Go like this. You don't call me. We call you.
We who? Yo, brother, we who?
Don't worry about that. When we call you, we know what to do. We get all the information, and you tell me all the information, and everything alright. Just stay in alright.
Yo, what you me no want? God? You me no want God jail, you know, I see tomorrow. Tomorrow me have to go to church. And wash off this year. Me have to go to me no want go to church, you know.
And remember this, just if you left from yourself, we are gonna know. Any movement you make, we know. And you can't change your number. Understand me? And you can't go certain place. We send you the information where you can go, what you can do. And we need a slim like this, and what you can eat.
Can't believe this man. Some man go and hold off down and sell black the brother and go and normal out. Big one, that's it. link. Yeah, that's it. Yeah man, I assist man. You mess with man, watch out man. Yeah, me I say I tell that man if you come up. Yeah. You ain't get your payment though. Right, so channel. Brian, if I can make him tell them for 1 more week right now, me double the payment and heave enough. You say gone too far. So, oh, judge you. I don't say a word. Me find a solution. I'm not talk this a food in a dog. I don't say a word. Active. So yeah, man. Fine now, yeah, man. Somebody will take it far there. Me. You say that go back to what TV. God knows. Glad to know I say the back car and still. Be a thing I go and teach her. You know, be a rug my road, be a little up and down there. God know. You have to try keep it boat rocking, you know. Keep it afloat, you know.
That's a cool.
Yeah man, cause I want TV check out, man.
TV? TV?
man.
How comes?
I don't know that I saw some man must go in and also shut him up and so start but
How are they bum right there, I tell you?
Better. You know.
So what, somebody attack few soldier them?
One thing man that's when I tell you to make sure say everything Carper said. You see me? I'll check all the one pinky what they said there and the scene coming back. You see me?
Come here ask you say right now, really and truly. I think you expect to come drop off certain things.
No man, catch me
I want
sure
to
them test a catch you know. Remember saying no find out how go and find out how okay guys jail. Find out who make jail. Run a profile there. So I circle she now. To find out what they go on. And the mother tell me say see him cousin calling. So I get mad for me and I say must say I'm gonna be a boss. I say but you mess. So if you gonna be a boss, if I be that, I don't know. What can I style them? So I say me have to ask you couldn't call my phone.
Brother, me have to shout up on your phone, you know.
Can I come like a
Me have to shout.
thing
No
to them?
man, hear me I say me have to call up your bird and you don't know what go on. Cause really and truly, long and short of it is that when them say to me say boy, them have a one phone call to call who waiting take. Cause we must say certain things go on with the girl. Same object that we are talking about. Brother, me I tell you right now, no go wrong. She now forward and we have a conversation. The conversation we have, she now reveal that status she a police. So right there, so when you keep me down now, my phone drop and them take my phone and so forth. Cause them have it right now an investigation. Cause they want to know about all the ends and this and that. So a good thing. So really and truly still, to try to shout the bird. You understand? But
Okay,
I'm really
you
confused.
get some nose and thing down on the time, you get some smoking and something on the time.
But right now, I never have no vibe with smoking. Cause right now, I just forward more forward to get back everything on track. Cause here now, you see that girl there? Like, yo, nothing I say what me I say.
That girl look to say, we didn't see him too, but
Brother.
me saying run off still. So me saying go pick up things and run off and kind of stuff. Me not sure that this still. From what them don't know how to trust and how to delete him.
That's a code for real. Alright, now,
Left
man.
one left up a thing right now.
Alright, tell it to me.
Any means necessary right now. So tell them, you want to try to tap the thing boss. You know what to do.
So what Brad said? And my next one thing, because right now,
That's
I'm
the
not really
coward
trust.
man. That's him being done with badness, the street and a fee man. But we can't. There's about to be a hopper and then come like a Gilbert Park Street place.
Alright, you're Africa.
See me?
Real and true. But
What's
we'll
it?
start over the operation.
Yeah, but to show how many really think I'm saying, you know. Them a man, you know, they really, they have really respect, you know. They know, they just know something, some a movie thing them. Someone me have to go to them aggressive, you know, so then we go say something mean, some way where like, you know. But I just the thing where I try to put punch shot. You know, so when you go into the business, you know, play results, you say.
Yeah, that is it.
I know, excuse.
But real and true, I wonder why the girl don't feel like some more than they are jail for more than 1, 2, 3 days. Why she don't feel that? Brother, right now, I tell her how I feel right now, but I do her things. But I say to myself, say, you know, police. So if you leave them alone and just do your thing, Right now, I tell her Brawling, I cut off Pinky out of the thing. I'm say cut him off because as she make ropes come in that place. So if she never ropes come in that place, then still good on certain circumstances.
And you know, so when I time I want $1 million and miss up on I time I for him teeth. Because if I save $1 million, you know, I look $1 million to go buy a car. You know. So I don't know if I'm teeth for miss up $1 million to that. Because if I go check all the statement, you'll see it's $1 million send out the account. You know. I'm not know about that.
Alright, you're ready. As I say, everything have a start over. But where Bulby there? You're not see Bulby.
Yes, I'm link him. Oh, I post it today. I post him see. If I today, I like yesterday, because it's from brain and shuffle up. Yeah. I remember for this man last night, I see him. I know I link him. The government Bulby there on board to man, I keep everything up to date. See him.
You will go do. I have to go link him up right now.
Because only one way.
Still active.
Yeah. I'm still a fair watch him too. Because more he makes some speech and I say. Because sometimes more if my aim and mumble over like him a madman to himself, you know. You know? Right. But they say, we're thinking on that. Swear
Bulby. Freedom is a must.
I'm going out.
Alright, I'm confused guys. There's a lot of things that go on, brother. Yes, I'm trying to show. You know, you see sometimes trusting people can cause a lot of things. When we say a lot of things, it means you can make a good organization get bad in an instance. And sometimes, you know, we have to know which part it start from. That type of, because you know, Mr. Man, I check phone and make sure so good certain way. You know what I mean? But I'm glad to forward out of jail place because I tell you a nice place. A nice. You want that, man? I mean, I hear say all TV and drop out, bro. Can't believe that.
Yo, bossy. But you know, boss. Be a mind game thing go on in a boss.
Mind game?
Be a mind game thing go on.
Be a mind game and play and brother kicking about.
That's right.
You can't trust anybody these days.
And that's why right now, we want to start back the operation. He said, but you know, I cut out pink out there. I cut out pink out there right now, because that's the place that kind of hot. And the girl don't know what I want.
And Brad, I can't let them know.
No, man, we're not dealing with Brad. Brad's alright. Brad's can't go on.
I just chew away money or cut down.
Yeah, for some of the kids, yeah?
Chew away money or cut down and chew away.
Alright. You see, money part now, we have to kind of understand the person who invest, you know, and the person who make the links, and the person who organize stuff in such a way. You understand what I say?
Yes.
So you're not telling boss me, you tell me, say.
What? I'm talking nice one, so I'm a boss here.
Come,
we see my boss here, so can I style them?
Bossy, you see somebody a be a mind game him go on here. See all that money them if you go on and him take say my bad I my dad and I take over my time activity. Yeah man, say TV fire. I want to see this boy a be a mind game go on here, boss I'm not hold down. No more time chat.
Yeah, I like my telephone.
Yeah, I
no.
Bossy, you don't get the voice message I'm sending you.
No, because you're the phone and kind of, you get the phone now.
Bossy, you be a mind game then go and play with you here. You know tell us say a long time you want to stay in the prison. You have to say that, bossy.
I said, dark clip.
Oh yeah. That man, dark clip.
Dark clip. Where you go?
I'm going to be a chance to go and test and mind give them and try to pull point in the boss.
So where boss? I'm your boss or your boss? Where boss?
Good night. You know why I'm calling you, sir?
I know, sir. I don't even have the slightest clue. What's going on?
Well, I know when I just come in never know or anything. But yes, it's like, yeah, because I'm tell us we're gonna leave again. We're going. But what we get to understand is you in a mix of everything too. For yourself, you can play like you don't know what me I talk about. Hey, look at me I talk to you. Look at me I talk to you. But what more you have to understand is, you see, next time I come back down in the village again, just know say me not come back for public alone. I come back for everybody who they running. And yeah, public come out today.
Public come out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come out today.
Well,
And
if you come out, you'll
we have
have
to
to
live
do it.
because you know what I say? Certain things now go pretty if we stay down here, so it don't get worse than, you know? So I have to go away and come back. But just know say, I have use specific and watch. Come know where you're doing. And let me tell you this. I want me come here say for one. You understand that? So for me like you walk straight and stop walk like you want going on a narrow road. Yeah. But big up yourself again, cause
Because I don't know what you talk about, you know. Watch out. Let's see if you are free to come for me. So that's how we can come for you. Two. Now if you say we are going to do that, you know, I am look because of course I love you, but
and when me back turn and me eye them lock. I can't do that.
you're
And
not
one
saying
thing
I'm
want you to know, me love my job.
because
Protect my job.
but just like how you know, me and you said line of work, I'm a police work and hustle, you know.
And someone a thief. And someone a liar.
That's
And
some of
someone
them.
a general. And someone who do dirty works.
Mm-hmm.
What you want to make no sense. You understand? Well, you understand. Alright, so big up yourself, there.
Alright, my cousin.
Yeah.
Walk straight, you know.
As always, never turn.
Alright.
Understand?
I'll make sure something not come for you before you come for me, you know.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.